what happened to you. I'm just being honest.
Hold on,
you're not the on me gun, man. Straight. Hustle every day and never sometime. Man up.
Hold on, the people.
Think you play it up and say, oh boy. Let me go over the YouTube for the people.
Yeah, we over here, people. Like we say, this is a boy, Girls J. We're there. We're going to start off early. Nothing going on yet, but we're there early, so go and share for life. This is Vibes Friday. And we are.
Inna me head like a foot. Inna me brain the grabber give me a maca joke. Hard piece a grabber give me the one with the black and logo. All the push a fire take a pull the one fish shut up you. Still me sleep is a nap a talk. Remember say me did have a pot a book. Pincha west on the best. Plus as a bush man a bunch. That think like a crack a book. But I be pushing a me brain, no pushing a me head. Pushing a me brain, no pushing a me head. Me smoke it high and me smoke it fly and me smoke it. You can see it in the eyes. Pushing a me brain, no pushing a me head. Pushing a me brain, no pushing a me head. Me smoke it high and me smoke it fly and me smoke it. You can see it in the eyes. Push me roll up, as me roll up. It's sweet like a donut, what a product. You touch me so what easy, you get your bone rock. Who make size 10 feet, herbs now no luck. Herbs in your mouth, through me nose all puff. Never make your head spin, pack your toe up. Him a young smoke, I'd slow him up. Run go full jolly son, now him join up. He a laugh at it, pushing on me brain, now pushing on me head. Pushing on me brain, now pushing on me head. Me smoke it, the guy, and me smoke, and me fly, and me smoke it, you can see it in my eye. Pushing on me brain, now pushing on me head. Pushing on me brain, now pushing on me head. Me smoke it, the guy, and me smoke, and me fly, and me smoke it, you can see it in my eye.
Give me a mad feeling, but the grenade great. We think I'm a lease and no go back place where gravity no exist. The love stay there, so no give me no bush weed and no daycare. Me a smoke in the air, the gates blaze making on me dome 7-8. Push a fire like when me tap out with the key. Big fat split me about 50 pair. What more? Me a bill a split longer than bro. Show me no smoke pork. Me send it on a boat gun. I'm a fella no puff smoke like me nose zone. Even cold stove. I me fuck up the war zone. Split broad like a toll road and a snow cone. It's hotter than broke bone. Every nose out north when me blow smoke. Johnstown. Everything mad, memories loud. Lighter, hot grabber and a 50 bag. Everything mad, everything mad. Everything mad, everything mad. Lighter, hot grabber and a 50 bag. Everything mad, everything mad. Everything mad, everything mad. Anyway you see me, I'm smoking my weed off a bill with the grabber with the voltage. Get the grabber toasted. Potato chips, flames. Me a sport with the grades. Bare face, me have it a smoke in the beer. Split fatter than two when it's spraying. Weed a figure do them every day. Brave near, give me a mad junior. But the grenade grade. With the grabber leaves and me go a place where gravity no exist. My love stay there, so no give me no junior. Then no daycare, be a smoke in the air. The gates blaze making on me dome 7-8. Push a fire like when me tap out with the key. Big fat junior.
Yeah, I know just how you feel when you go buy bush weed for real. I agree. cheese. What's my beat on the Guinness and Junior? I know just how you feel. When the bag is sweet for me, I grade me want for me cheese. What's my beat on the Guinness? Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. Me really need it, cause me no bun need it. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. If I push weed, what's speeding? Me want marijuana, the ganja, the nuclear power plant. Smoke till like the pizza tower, that's our slant. No, I can't stop sittings double like no other. Yeah, I run water like me just take a hour bath. Then the cosmos start when me float like an astronaut. Birds make me act so smart, not even cops no one. Lock me out, me tell them I'm the chef, not the restaurant. Weed cure code is what EPH expectorant. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. Me really need it, cause me no bun need it. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. If I push weed, what's speedy? I grade beats with me sorrows. As me eye narrows, me smoke till me palos. Go up junior arrows. Me cause what I bust, the marijuana allows. The smoke through me neck like the rope around gallows. Nothing feel me mind like how the ganja does. I was gonna stop, but me stop burn the calories. No, as me burn and split, more weed follow. As the last thing I like, first thing in the morrows. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. Me really need it, cause me no bun need it. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. If I push weed, what's speeding? Me want marijuana, the ganja, the nuclear power plant. Smoke till like the pizza tower, that's our slant. No, I can't stop sittings double like no other. Yeah, I run water like me just take a hour bath. Then the cosmos start when me float like an astronaut. Birds make me act so smart, not even cops no one. Lock me out, me tell them I'm the chef, not the restaurant. Weed cure code is what EPH expectorant. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. Me really need it, cause me no bun need it. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. 50 baht, Bills baht. Read the way you dead, show the weed man. If I push weed, what's speedy? I grade beats with me sorrows. As me eye narrows, me smoke till me palos. Go up junior arrows. Me cause what I bust, the mic grade make you play back while you. Automatically, you know we're smoking on the highest grade of Cali. Hey yo, it's a herb rally. High grade, I'm smoking on the highest grade. My grade is high grade. You want to try my grade? You know the herb is the greatest substance to come to the earth. From the first generation to the second and third. Hey yo, you got my word, I feel like a bird, flying high, you heard.
Tell them say high grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever. Shiver. High grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever. Throw the weed between the risola, make me feel charismatic. I will personally recommend it if you're asthmatic. Give me the cold merit and make me done it panta coca. Hit me here the queen and hit me here the pope. The way I love the weed is like the farmer throw honey pan it. Go back to Solomon grave, you find the ganja hit a group on it. Burning off it open it, from Chablis a blow on it. Ganja man no have no try this smoke and no blow on it. Police attack, blow on it, and I must him the whole of it. Squaddy you speculate about the herb, find the whole of it. Him now get half of it, that's the last of it. See this smoke they lock me up because of it. Tell them say high grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever. Shiver. High grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever. Package the weed like cigarette, ship it overseas. One amount of revenues, poor people will see. Buy me ganja, boat me export me weed to Belize, Guyanese, Los Angeles, Greater Antilles. Send no love to gun and New York to when the time of freeze. High grade run Jamaica, prescribe to cure disease. Smoke down up in the trees and use the bird and the bees. My cocoa make your ears leak out and your nose when you sneeze. The weed that make me have them girl weak in the knees. The weed that make me narrow like a Japanese. Plus the weed that make me drive me cocky like a Mercedes. And a Jackie and the jet and our sister Jenny's. High grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever. Shiver. High grade forever and no bush weed never. High grade never and no bush weed never. Ever give your pleasure. High grade make you never quality with it whatever.
Roll the weed between the whistle, make me feel charismatic. I personally recommend it if you're asthmatic. Give me the cool merit to make me turn it pan a coke a day. If me hear the queen a day, if me hear the poor a day. You never love to read this like your father, so hold it pan day. You got the Solomon trade, you find the ganja, it's a dope pan day. Hurting off is open now, ganja is a blow pan day. Dance a man who have a solid sound and up the blow pan day. Panic set up the blow pan day. And I must send the whole a day. But if you take it later, roll the work, you find the whole a day. Him now get off of it, that's the last of it. See this more, they lock me up because of it. Tell them say I grade forever, no push me never. I grade never, no push me never. If I see you the time, wait me down.
Man, guy, the party turn up, you can't jigs, man, live like bar, party tuck up in a me jeans, hey, girl. Then I spit on my dick and I lick that car. Then I split and I tick and I tap that car. So no nothing psycho, spend a brick that soft. So we do it every day, live like bar. Psycho bunny pan me drip that soft. And the party turn up, you can't jigs, man, party tuck up in a me jeans, man, top. She spine on me head, me bust me rich man laugh. Just say she fuck 6 and lie. If she can't get me, she a fling it pan crap. So me laugh, was a ding dong dance and a zip it up, drift and gone, you know. Mixing one, let's a mix and part, me Diggy boat, she a limp and walk, baby. Giddy up, bring you one part, me video. I'm keeping I drive when you spit on the liquor, the drip on me, Givenchy, bitch, I make me honey. Patek and Richard me. Me got a brick for me, me giving you. If you go live for me, bring friend and give on it. Big spenders in charge with drift Benz and drift Addies. Make she wet like a tsunami. She take a set for me, forget to me honey. The length when me walk with the Benz a self-parking. Still a big when time it parking. Then in my place like Revan Biggs. Grabbing her ear and take off wigs. You know take past in here, girl, your belly are big. Put the foot in her ear. Then I spit for my dick and I lick that top. Then I split and I tick and I tap that cars. You know nothing psycho, spend a brick that sauce. So we do it every day, live like boss. Psycho bunny pan me drip that sauce. And I party, turn up your can't jigs, man, half. Party tuck up in on the jeans, man, top. Spine on me head, my boss, my rich man laugh. Yeah. She tick like stars, pilling her cup and she drink one quart. But swinging her gut and she still not bad. She not drink out of my cup, me get my instant charge. Say she flex 6 and long. If she can't get me, she ain't me pan car. So me laugh, but I ding dong dance. Zip it up, drift and gone. Mixing one less a mix and bad. The give up, she a limp and walk. Video, video, tripping I dropping I bad bitch, up the chimney, 10th floor, me dey up in high ceiling. Girl looking at the kitchen, give me what I want, my grant up the wishes. Suck it, yeah, don't stop, short, back, bang it, line, more, car, my band tour, me no want go, back, go on, pop pill chillin'. One bad expose no titties. My love pussy man never go fishing. I know me chain now your girl pussy dripping. Grab a leaf, hot Guinness. Japanese dub plate, hot reading. Straight jeans, Jordan, bad city. Violate, go get a bad flicking. My cocky feel like rose in a roll. Rub my dick pan the clit, she a spray like hose. If me get the pussy, nobody not for know. Him know why you so cocky loud that a poppy show. She said the money pa my shirt and I say psycho. She said the gun pa my belly dog, this a license. You run the pussy and I get no money style, yo. Give me brains for the car and a land title. Cycle. La 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 la. Pop pill chillin'. 10th floor, me dey up in high ceiling. Girl looking at the kitchen. Give me what I want, my grant up the wishes. Suck it, yeah, don't stop. Short, back. Bang it, line, more, fat. My band poor, me no want go back. Suck it, yeah, don't stop. Short, back. Bang it, line, more, car. My band poor, me no want go. One in a million, I had a like talk, go there in my room. And the dress out, I tell me, send them move the perfume. Yeah, I'm a girl, I'm a wife, somebody me know to all your time in your life, I must deal around. And if I die, then baby, me know I deliverance. Sweet up on me life, say me not left you, no, not on yeah. After me, the cocaine, right in my curse, me auntie put me name in on your chest. Pussy, they say, look a baby, I'm for bless. Sweet up on me life, no one body else. I'm like you, want it to me like you. I'm a friend, I'm a shanty, I'm a killer, I'm a boy. Even though you're sexy, you're full of attitude. When I see the reason why I'm a would have married you. Girl, me like you, me like you, me like you. One in a million, I had to like you. If the one could have talked, go there in my room. And the dress out, I tell me, send them out the perfume. Make up after break, I fucking drop asleep. Wake up, I pussy the time, I feel like I would have killed you. If I'm not a man for you, then why you would have changed up? Change up. I just want to step there, and I name up. My make up, cruise on the cake. You, everybody have them time. Thank Father God, the damn drop on my life. Yeah, me like you, want it to me like you. I'm a friend, I'm a shanty, I'm a killer, yeah.
Strong back in my back, oh, the cocking of it up. From me walk, man up, we try to get bored. From your pussy now have germs and your body look firm. I forget to cut your body look bad.
She broke her rules. She don't share some kind of food. She get high cause she dip on more. Bye. Hey girl, kill her with fuck. You know you my bitch, you my slut. Head off a box, cause you know you can puff. Bustin' to your belly when the fire big pump. Girl, come on me yard and live on Netflix. Looking on your throat, make your neck crack. Max send for your next bitch. When she whine it electric. She wanna lumba, lumba, yeah. Lumba, lumba, yeah. She wanna lumba, lumba, yeah.
It's straight it's not crazy. Stop out your words, I say I get crazy. Might pick that outside braces.
Stop out your words. Turn it up, nah, belly. Yeah, the tummy don't get you, the skin clean, girl. Tell me what for you. Everywhere you lean back, girl, it's open practice. Bro, I love bitch, your favorite. Don't fuck my slum with them toe. I can hear the music, call out song. Had to bury like a spin and a spit out shot. Hit a race and a flip out bat. Girl, skin out them hole, me a dig out that. Girl, your pum pum tight like a 10-rock plot. Hosanna, God, she call me the Godfather. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my job can't get up back, but I leave down flat. When she come for fuck, you can't black that. She a quint it up, man, I stop up. She love the fuck, she want hot box. She run your fuck, love her back shot. I come that run down past sandals. From you see she want, she love Batman. I'm a love my bitch, them from London. London, I love Hosanna, oh, God. She call me the Godfather. God. Rifle a wave like a bandana. Anything on my job can't get up back. Better leave down flat.
Bad bitch love bags. Bad seat love tats. Your body get bad for you did some squats. For your girlfriend bad from a rich dog snack. He bitch front up and me go fling down. That you got the big bump and that he been flung back. She no drink rum rationally bitch love shot. She love been rough back as she been broke bad. Girl your pussy fat. She got another girl a fully knocked that. Mama pussy fat, like a girl a fully got pants. Papa Uzi and shit a bag of rookies and fast. I mean we shoot up the bait. She suck the cocky, yeah, tool up the place. She cute so the cocky, yeah, fi use up the brain. Rude running, tappy, boost up the brain. I mean we buy a bitch a coat. If you got the little tire, bit a choke. You rubber would judge you like a child in a coat. If you suck from a cocky, that a flyers in a coat. So come kitty gotta fly. Your pretty like a dime, my your titties have a vibe. Every filly have a price from a kitty baba buy. She a suck from a cocky, fresh city gotta ride. Rush and chop it up, done. Run up and he gotta do a maffy touch cloud. The fox can be girl alone, call it up. Horse frank, call it down south and he got it love cloud. She black out, funny Mali touch mouth. Cause she a feel like it, she's not up souls. Have a bunny and a topic, cause she hit it on the calls. Got the clock it, we shut it,
Mama cleaned up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad, better girl, don't try. Mama cleaned up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round. Mama bumper, I go round your left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad, better girl, don't try. Mama, quint up your pussy on your left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama, bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round. Mama, bumper, I go round and round. All through that town. Knocking at your pum wall. Tell a waste man, say him can't get a chance. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Mama come in my room, make me fly away Jaws. Me say come dash. I me say come dash. I me say come. Mama clean up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. Bad, better girl, don't try. Mama clean up your pussy on the left hand side. Skin out, mad out, get wild all night. Now run, boom, flip on your head, don't slide. If a girl want try, tell a girl come die. Mama bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round. Mama bumper, I go round and round, all through that town. Mama bumper, I go round and round, killer, tell him bar, swing, syrup, panaras, clap, pilla, spliff, feeder. Lord, Mama says you can't hear it, son. Your body need to your bumper run. Turn your bumper on, getting mad for me now. Head top for me now. Rock your back, sit down, panty and rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear, drop flat for me now. Arch your back and make it clap for the crowd. Get mad for me now. Head top for me now. Rock your back, sit down, panty and rock for me now. Catch your foot in the ear. Catch your foot in the. Pop her, can't see that. Tell her don't walk it up. Get your foot in the back. Catch your foot and sit down. No thinking in your back. Don't walk this. Let me see if your back charge your ass. You run. See if a dog you done. Weed like half a lung. I have a dog. Shit like half a fuck. Yo, look it. Tell her rookie me with pop off my gun. Hey, mama, get mad to me no. Head top to me no. Rock your butt, sit down on your ass. And me say like coffee like your bong snider. Shotty rum rah, fuck up and pat. Quad pan quad, we a fuck up and quad. If you ramp with this in a jelly, make it pan clap. Travel with a duffel bag, no one ever bank yard. Bad bitch pop pill, dumb sort one gag. Drunk your fuck away the Benz Cooper. Me a drip, she a got to side fantasy. Drink and walk out for the earth. Tennessee, I'm a liver charge, the pass the perks. Christian Philly, cock her up now the church. Says she love it, see now I'm papa my shirt. If a bitch can't hurt, spider call the earth. Sick in a me head, this in a fuck all the nurse. Mama bump and cocky, she ain't get no reverse. Myself a boom. Now sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, mama sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, mama sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, me say me like half a life we a bounce by that. Shot room round, fuck up and pat. Quad pan quad, we a fuck up and quad. If you ramp with this in a jelly, make it pan card. Travel with a duffel bag, no one ever bank yard. Bad bitch pop till down so tanga. Drunk your fuck away, then scoop park. Me a drip, she a goggle to side pan car. Walk with feet up, it's in real out here. Blick tuck and waist, don't feel no fear. Away party, the deal out here. Pull up in a bush in the sea down here. The man feeling the human here. Pussy fat like pennies, make it big out here. Make it big out here. Me say to make it big out here. Make it sing like
Yo, my quay girl,
That's the man.
I would have nuts.
Galang girl, when you under your molly, you galang girl. On top of me cocky, you fi balance pan.
Balance. One girl every day. One girl every day. Say me name and me magically appear. Your body make a much bump for the way you check me IG. Me too clean, yeah. Check my hygiene. Jealous of me sweet like me walk with ice cream, but her attitude think like she walk with Tylee. Weird. Galang gal, when you're under your molly, you galang bad. On top of me cocky, you fi balance pan. Your pussy fatter, but you cock up your back as strong. Me feel it buff, she need fi fuck me need it too. Your pussy tight, me I wonder if a sun eagle look. The cocky strike, so you tight, me get a easy push. You put them wide in the eyes, me see a evil look. One gal every day a new gal I get penetrate. Every day, every month, every year, cool like lemonade, fresh like me go beard. Addictive like nicotine, strong like she go gym. I one gal every day, every week. IG me if you not believe. Check your IG war and if I show me gratitude. The way me close to watch, tell the panty move me body show me she attribute. Me say that you if we can't do it, then it's not possible. Music I rock you for. We say lick me sick of any prim stiff gun man make you miss appointment bitch. You suck me to me love bad bitch turn to the whole gang now you choke me a spit. Dance honey this the whole place shake it boom boom with all spit on the gunman dick. Baby you want this no me don't spoil bitch dog all up so this shit nobody want me. Me never feel no way dog. And if it's got to the waiting on the yard. And if she fuck around the same thing dog. I thought about that and me the girl want and I live by my part. I'll come and me fuck it so. And I don't need to stop a video. She know in the make her the muckle. Car roll with the gang, then they not get nothing. Girl, come and me fuck your ass up. And I don't need to stop a video. She know in the make her the muckle. Car roll with the gang, then they not get nothing. Bam boom bang, cocky like fish in a sense. And I tell him my little sin I be a pun Monday, a PC if it has self. Shock us if you fling one in the head. Top bang smash pen, you would do this half thing. Kill them girl in a wanted and naughty. Head tone, know the vibe, don't glitz with guns. Spend whole summer, get fucked them for no one on the size. Me never feel no way dog. And if it's got to the waiting on the yard. And if she fuck around the same thing dog. I thought about that and me the girl watch. And I live by my part. I'll come and me fuck your ass up. And I don't need to stop a video. She know in the make her the muckle. Car roll with the gang, then they not feel up the guy. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. At the young day, not place when it's rich. All them wife done bitch, palm break, she come quick. Stuffed in the jar, can I'm a chip. Boss now, more money, try a poly. Skin with fancy, all out bad bitch. Bad girl, I'm not talk away. I'm a one book, bad bitch, all over the way, she. Yo, cool, girl, them white quick. So stepping out, place, dog, way quick. 20 cheap on my feet, and my whip change. Yo, me have a reach here, and no need. Coulda black, coulda white, coulda shine. I feel up vibes in this. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. At the young day, not place where live rich. All them wife done bitch, palm break, she come quick. Stuffed in the jar, can I'm a head chip. Boss now, more money, try a poly. Skin with fancy, all out of bad bitch. But I'm stylish, I kinda like this. Yo, just she can up in 9 bitch. Give me a side chick, up a mean bitch. My life can't get outdated, brawling and faced it. Never see this. Them can't give me chat now, face me. Singers and nuts, man. Be a gunman. Shock hotel, shot it, them not no option. I feel up vibes in this. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. At the young day, not place where live rich. All them wife done bitch, palm break, she come quick. Stuffed in the jar, can I'm a head tip. Boss now, more money, try a party. Skin with fancy, all out of bad bitch. Bad girl, I'm not talk me. I'm a one book shit. Bad bitch, all over the way, shit. Yo, cool, girl, them white quick. So stepping out the place, dog, way quick. 20 cheap on my feet, and my whip jeans. Yo, me have a reach here, and a movie. Coulda black, coulda white, coulda shine. Vibes in this. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. At the young day, not place when live rich. All them wife done bitch, palm break, she come quick. Stuffed in the jar, can I'm a head tip. Boss now, more money, try a poly. Skin with fancy, all out of bad bitch.
Early. I'm 2 beers down. And it's trouble in the vibes and the DJ turn off the music. But I hope y'all is here. You just unplugged this shit and expect it to play. I someone know you're smart, you know. Yo, you're smart, you know. Well, chat. We here, man. We clocked in, man. Man, I'm freestyling now, cause I'm frustrated, I know. But yeah, it's Friday. And we're live, yeah. In the Livevybz Friday studio. Alright, it's Friday. And we're live, yeah. And we vibes it in the Livevybz studio. Ready? In the chat, gonna tap up the screen and like up the live and share up the page and subscribe. Me say, yeah. Oh, Jesus. Livevybz Friday, yeah. Friday, yeah. Chat, I'm clocked in, man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm here. I'm ready to go, but I'm also ready to be here. Yeah, that type of time, man. Yeah. And it's Friday. I ain't collect no check today. So big ups to everybody who collected a check today. My check came on Wednesday. I get paid 2 days early, so shout out to everybody get paid 2 days in advance. Yes, sir. Shouts out to my. I'm just talking. I ain't even seen the chat, but I'm just vibing with them. Yeah. Let me go do an audio. There you go, man.
From doctor yet, but we have to go run it serious.
So they say you punching tonight?
Yeah, punch tonight.
They say my punch tonight though.
Yeah, punch.
I hope I enjoy while you punch here. That me I tell you. Hope you actually punching and thumping. That me I tell you, cause me here say the carrot punch phenomenal. It's next to Magnum. Yeah. So if you don't want to drink a tonic thing, and you know tonic vibes, you can tap in at the carrot punch. I want to know where to find that over DNK.
Yo.
Yeah.
Woo.
That one bad. I can't hear no drinking in a while, man.
Brother, I tell you, dog. Oh my God.
I haven't had a full bottle to myself yet, so I gotta, you know, me have to support my brother thing, cause I be a big carrot punch. Yeah, I know me not forget to support. I don't like you when I gotta lie, you know.
What me I like say? I support him from the start.
No, me never say nah support, but you a man we liable to support. Me not gonna lie say me not get for buying on it. Cause people don't know
me
say me
not
a
lie say me
bandit.
support.
Yeah, I know, me not buy. Me not gonna lie.
Over here,
Me I put myself on the spot.
Yeah, make him know, yeah.
Matter of fact, I put in an order right now. Then put him on the spot. So people in the chat, DNK Catering just get my order for a carrot punch.
We punching.
So I'm gonna be punching.
Yeah, man, out for the
Yeah.
night.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, you have one? Alright. So, alright. I'm gonna do the do then. Yeah. So chat, I'm punching tonight. So big up on yourself. We in the chat. Oh, we live? Oh, we live. Shit. I ain't know we was live.
Yo, give me a cup there, bro. Let me give him some of this car. No, brother. You have to be on the same way, brother.
May I bring home mine and save it for 2 months for Sunday?
In a cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, may I save it for Sunday, because I don't know, say a bag of food that I them Sunday, you know.
Alright.
But chat, what's going on? What's going on in the chat?
What listen?
Mr. Smiley and Michelle in the chat.
Neighbor. That good?
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Alright in the chat.
Already early.
Mr. Everybody in the chat.
Poor man.
Yeah.
Yo, Doctor, alright, you know what?
Where's Dr. Sam?
Like people, like I said, thanks for tuning in. This is your boy Gallus J.
Burn it himself, Jay.
Yeah,
as
Doctor's
usual.
supposed to pull up in a few, you know, say our work style and work vibes. But thanks for tuning in, who's been tuning in. This is another episode of Vibes Friday with Dea. And with Dea and Dea.
We is here.
Yeah, me and Bucky are going to start about some bugger until Doc pull up, then we can toast and just roll the bar same way. As we know, we're still celebrating Black History Month. I think this is, next week is our last week. But tonight is our game night episode, so we are going to do some Black History Jeopardy. Eh? No man, this week, this Friday coming up, it's going to be our last Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
last American Black History.
Tie shit, so what them say.
Yeah.
And all of that. But it's still reggae month, so you know, so we are going to talk about music and all of that. So, like we said, we still have the Black History Month, reggae month, and this week for Live Vibes is our game week, so we are going to do Black History Jeopardy to close out the show. But before that, we are going to do a little shout out real quick. We say shout out to everybody who's here in the chat.
Yeah, we got to shout out the chat first. Yeah. They're the first sponsors. I don't think y'all be getting this shit right.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you know, chat, I got y'all.
Right.
So the chat the first sponsors, bro. But me and the chat, I be having up the chat because them not like the life, and them not tell them dirty foot friend to come subscribe.
And
so I like it. I want to say me on our friend, but it's all good. You know, it's all good.
I say long time no see such man. Are you share talking? Such,
I don't mean him such man at all. No,
no such man this are.
No, I don't such man this. I am always here.
Buckland.
I am always here.
But anyway, like we said, we're
always in the building.
Shout out to the chat and our sponsors. First, we have One Love Window Cleaning. Shouts out to them. You know, say the winter going bad and some of the winter frost up and got cobweb up in the car and stuff. So in springtime come,
we still have a month. So
yeah, we do residential and also commercial. So
yeah,
One Love Window Cleaning, get your windows shine and gleaming.
Yeah.
And the next one.
I see a white boy I go to a Jamaican restaurant today. See a white boy clean the inside. Like the inside of the divider windows and the man a mop it. Like, you know the bakery, Pandui? Oh, where am I go? I'm going to go some rooms and I walk past and I say,
no, such man! Such man!
Anyway, the man in there, you know,
yo,
no
right,
soap.
Blush.
You see all you. Baby self. But the man in there, no mop with no soap. And you know what I'm saying? Never seen no squeegee.
No, I'm not going to start that. Alright, make sure you have something to drink in the night, because I'll be a foolish to dip on the night.
Yeah, but dip on my second Heineken.
Such man to blow.
Them said we have curfew tonight.
Oh.
So, yeah. Yeah, so I go.
But yeah, we had a sponsor, DNK Catering, and you know you just pull up.
Yeah, the punch is punching.
And you drink that punch, you don't need no lunch. Oh God.
Yep.
May I tell you?
Yep.
The next big sponsor. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. The next big sponsor I have a shout out is All In Podcast Network. And you definitely know Livevybz production at film time.
Yes, sir.
So we said before we had started toast about another 10 minutes, but we're going to in a bag world.
A lot.
Bag of police.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
We have start more start. Well, this is not bag, but
well, you want to know
well, before reaching that bag, this is well, it would have been drama entertainment wise. Cartel get him award.
I mean,
not drama,
yeah,
but excitement.
Me say, him get an award.
Mogul.
I think it's mobile. Is it a mobile award?
Yeah, one of the mobile. If we're in that chat,
mobile award, right? So, I mean, you don't have to give the teacher award, you know. Because, you know, the nation, the Gaza nation is a nation where they love them artists and, yeah, the Grammy. In the year Cartel, every interview Cartel going on, a Cartel talk about him story, you know. Cartel say, yo, if me to get the Grammy, it will be a story. That will be for the movies. Because here, 13 years and everything is facts, you know, don't get me wrong. But it was, whenever I hear Cartel talk about the reason why, you know what I'm saying, him should I get the Grammy, or the Grammy would be fitted for him. But anyways, and I say, 13 years in prison, fouled out, touch the word carpet. The tune we're making at prison. Nominated. No, the album we're making at prison, it was nominated for Grammy.
Which one? Tanisha or the one with you?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie to you. But he obviously made a few albums in a prison. We all know that. But, you know what I'm saying? Talking about interviews, did you tap into the Cartel?
No, but we're not getting the
that's some bugger.
But the bugger, we as we talk about Cartel, see, I just sitting and I chat Lisa Hype. So he said what happened to her.
I mean, we don't reason about Lisa earlier, know, but Lisa now, I give her till the end of February, beginning of March. Because right now, as much as Wagwan, I know artists, I know Jamaican artists, and is a Portmore Empire artist. Remember say a Cartel Billar. Cartel is known for controversy and all these things. And known for you know what I'm saying? Cartel no hide and talk. I mean, you know what I'm saying? And dance artists and a whole known for, you know what I mean, try do something for catch the attention. Look on the TikTok of them. them a prank nowadays is crazy, bro. So my feel say it's a Jamaican thing, but me know I don't play it, cause you know what I'm saying, everybody has throw this mental health thing up in the air. I don't know, say at the end of the day, yeah, it is real, but yo, we are Jamaican and we do mad crazy shit for attention, bro.
So you think
what I'm saying? So me not say attention, but yo, Lisa just drop a hot tune.
When?
Fresh today.
Today?
So right now.
So you tell me so she
a promo, bro. In my eyes, a promo, bro.
So you tell so me so you tell me say she got
Lisa
airport and say police come for me.
Lisa good, brother.
Okay.
Lisa good, dog. Like, come on, bro.
I mean, talking about she
music. How much artists do certain shit and say, yo, a music video I shoot. Come on now. Or you as you say, I mean, I reason earlier. Or you forget lock up and get search, put in a car. Bring gas station and then you go live. That don't make no sense.
That's
I promo dog. So
that's true. Talking about
you know, I take my statement back if it comes back to where you know.
But she and Dexter Daps.
Oh yeah, she go up on the fix and say she breathing.
She
for Dexter.
She a breed for Dexter?
Yeah, she have
again.
Yeah, apparently. That was the caption. So I don't know.
Again, remember earlier in the last year, you know, they did come with the same thing, you know, say. She lose a baby female and it make she get the tattoo on him.
Oh, where?
Yeah. And then they must say Dexter not say nothing until them catch her and put her name in a song.
Me Lisa chat something about blood clad Dexter, you see? But nah, go lie. Lisa said most of Dexter told them about her.
Well, you name dropping that one.
Lisa said she put on fuck till she weak. And in my head, me not gonna lie, you know. You know, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut.
No, man, talk,
man. Because, no, me not get it. Because don't get me wrong, you know. Lisa a bad artist. But Lisa not girl.
Uh-oh.
Lisa no. Lisa no. No, Waterford is my place. Come on now. You know, but me, like, come on now. Let's be real.
Oh.
Lisa no. Lisa, like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You even see them thing at Yasso, brother. Like, the artists, them, like, me don't know. Them artists, them are going like them too, Arnie, brother. You know what I'm saying? Like, for your artists, where, me don't know. The artists, them too, but me don't know.
Oh, my God.
Me know that.
Them,
me know that. I foreign
them.
at them. Me know that I foreign at them.
See them now, see them. She just in the beer.
But, you know, don't get me wrong, you know, I don't know talk about Kangaroo here. Everybody knows that me love my downtown girl and my port my girl, you know. It's just, enough understand, say, yo, wife for wife and mate, brother. You see
but
me
then
say,
Lisa no say she approves to them.
Huh?
She no say she approves to them.
Anyways, so I gotta do that, please, because I don't know what you talk about. The man say him go on, brother. The man give no how much years. How much years in the ramping shop and all these things. I don't feel for to know, like, this is crazy to me, bro. Why I know all this are going?
Because the man out.
Why him been cartel been relevant though? Why she never followed out with all these fuckery then? Me not understand it. Me not understand it. Why is all these things is forwardings out now? Why she feel like say, oh, come on, bro, it's a stunt, brother.
Because obviously the man out and about in a prison couldn't really do much but put out music. But now he put out everything.
Don't get
money,
wrong, you know.
people, all of this shit.
And it's alright, let me ask you this. Do you
tell him get performance on stage, you know?
Yes, but don't get me wrong with it, bro. When it comes down to that, bro, like we have to understand though, that cartels are fan of them, brother, you know. Cartels are fan of the TikTok, you know, brother. Cartels are fan of the actual media, you know. Them on they stay current, you know, brother. We tell you, you know. And then the man say the inside I watch all of these things, you know. The man say know everybody. You know what I'm saying? So I just one of that when it comes down to stay like, and you have to understand, say, my cartel still play catch up, you know. All of them artists where you feel like them are worry and all these things. They ain't got shit to worry about, nigga. That nigga is still working. That nigga know he got a far way to go in terms of catching up, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's mad shit that he missed. And you could see it in his work that he's actually putting in the work to actually, you know what I mean, stay current with these kids. So,
facts, that's a
fact. With that,
I think me even saying,
Me not see- me not see the wrong with
he
it.
said he don't want to lose his fans, like the kids base.
Yeah,
Young
you can't
teens.
lose that. You have to stay current. You have to stay. Always have your core fans them where, you know what I'm saying, we know the Black Cartel and all these things. Either the New York and them, you know what I'm saying, Flatbush and all these things. Yeah, them are gonna always there, but you have to stay current with the kids. The kids are kids, you know what I'm saying? Like kids are the future, them say. So, with that being said, though, brother, like, Dr. Sauer in the building.
Yeah.
Chat big up on yourself again.
Yeah.
Dr. Sauer in the building.
Microphone. Yeah, so, Doc, here we are going to sit down. Since you just forward,
What?
pour your cup up real quick.
Yes, sir.
We're just about to get the toast out the way. Shout out the events first. And then we're going to do the toast and we're just going to get right back to it.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you want me to kick it off with the events?
Yeah, go ahead with the events.
First and foremost, man, this weekend, what's today, Friday?
Mm-hmm.
Tonight, man, my boy Bleak Studio Lounge, man, he actually taking over Friday nights at Studio Lounge now. So it's going down. Make sure y'all pull up over there. Ladies, for this was going to kill it. Ladies free all night.
Okay.
Just tonight only or every Friday?
Every Friday. Ladies free all night.
That sounds
So
like
they
my
coming
type
out.
of
That's a game
party.
changer right there, yo.
Yeah, that's a game changer right there.
My type of party.
That's different. That's different.
But so yeah, big shouts out to him for that one, man. That's going down. What else is going on?
Every Friday, Mix It Up Friday.
Mix It Up Fridays at the Mango. Definitely shouts
And
out
then you
to
have
him.
Donga
Yeah, if y'all
Jolie.
broke, stay home, man.
Oh shit.
Real talk. I'm tired of y'all shit.
He's a part-time doorman and he's been having some...
That's all I'm
Oh
gonna say.
yeah.
That's all
Yo,
I'm
you
gonna
got
say,
it.
man. I'm
You know
tired
what's
of
so
this
crazy?
shit.
You got to really experience some of this shit.
Yeah,
Like,
that shit is
the people
real.
that be looking like they got money or acting like they got it, but then they pull up
How do you come to a party with
$10.
$7?
What you mean?
Wait. You say how they come to party with what?
$7, $15, $17.
At the full 20.
Nigga.
But they be in there drinking too.
Like, how the fuck are you gonna drink? I'm like, come on now. I tell this bitch just cash at me $10, she cash at me $8. The whole time she was arguing with me, hey, I gotta pee. I'm like, okay, pay me though.
You feel like that's
Pay
how,
me and
that's
then
how
Is
go
that a
pee.
public bathroom?
I'm about to pee on the floor. You gotta pay me to go there though. So
better be outside.
but she really legit sent me $8, bro. So I ain't gonna, like, yo, listen to my camera. Don't broke on party. Listen to that, like, don't,
Bro,
like, you could do the same shit you're doing in the
Yo,
club
like-
at home, bro. I hate it. That shit is
Cool.
not, I don't like that shit.
Nah,
Like, that shit don't look good for
thanks.
us, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I love the dance hall though, but the dance hall can't, no make the dance hall do that. The dance hall, we're
Before I
broken.
shout out Marshall joint, man. The rest of this weekend, man. Sunday night, Crush
Crush
on
on
you.
You.
Back at Studio Lounge again, man.
Yeah.
My boy Nick Cage.
Yeah.
Y'all all know Nick Cage, man, on there. DJ Dynamic, y'all know Dynamic. And Just Mix It. So that's going to be a nice one, too. Make sure y'all pull up to that. Now,
This right here, this way I promote, you know. DJ Maestro, Big Bad, Earth Strong.
Seven annual.
Pisces of Fear. And you know, November, March 1st.
damn.
Yo, March 1st, and this is at Sky Lounge, people, so that's his Pisces
That's
of
right
Fear.
here.
This is-
Next
Nope.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Next
It's right here.
Use your other hand.
It's right here.
Yeah, Big Bad DJ Maestro, like him saying, my carrying cars. Yeah, but what the fuck? What is wrong with me?
Yo, tickets dropped today. The physical tickets dropped today.
Chromatic.
Oh, for this one?
Yeah. Physical
okay.
tickets dropped today. I see you made a post, so shout out
also-
to
yeah, do it
my
to him,
shit.
Saturday. It's going down, man. Next
Yeah,
Saturday.
outside.
Yo, I will leave a party I go out and some people, but so check
And
it out.
Sunday
March
the
is
Rum Punch
very
Yeah,
active.
man, I didn't even think about that
Yeah,
one,
Sunday
too,
Rum
man.
Punch Brunch.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Rum Punch Brunch. Big shouts out to Winter Red.
Okay.
It was her birthday, too, just passed, too. So we
Yeah, I
got
think
to do
today, yeah, a couple days ago, yeah.
Toast to her.
Shouts out.
It's the Rum Punch Brunch, you know, every year it go down, man. And we had some of the Winter Red Rum Punch.
Yeah,
over here
they've been on here.
Yeah,
Come
they-
on,
they
now.
sup-
They had them
yeah,
over here.
It's been a guest here. You know, we've been vibing. It's an annual thing. The
yeah.
punch and the actual party. So
Yeah, it's her birthday party, actually.
yeah.
They
But no, she actually do the punch.
she
and
just make it-
she make it annual if I'm not
she make it
mistaken.
an annual thing, yeah.
So
All right.
you know that's a Dixon and Union production set
Yeah,
speed. So
Now
they
we
don't
got
know
that
so
out
that
the way.
life.
How was your week?
This is active.
I told you.
My week, shit. What did I do this week? That's crazy. Shit, I ain't really doing much, bro. I'm ready to get back to work. I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to get back to put that mask
Been off
on.
of work?
Yeah, it's off season.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping. It is winter.
And I'm just doing, I do my ones and twos, as you say. I do my part-time door, I do some door service sometimes, but other than that, I'm just staying busy, man. I just watching movies, you know what I'm saying? I watched Jimmy Dancehall Queen for the first time this weekend.
First time?
Bro, yeah, brother.
Yeah, shorty put me on to it.
The first time?
Yeah.
Bro, you might get your Jamaican card pulled, bro.
I took a belt. I took a stripe. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, I didn't know that was possible. You ain't never seen Shantas either?
Now you violate. Shonta's not even my shit though. I'm a third world cop kind of guy.
But that's
Smile
what I'm
Orange.
saying. Like it ain't even like them is the best movies, but they is classics.
How did they come?
Let me go a different route now. What about Bashment?
Bashment. That's my shit.
All right.
Bashment Granny, yeah.
What? Clad this.
Say that about shut.
That's your boy, man.
Say that
Nigga
about.
said Bashment Granny,
That's
Kenny.
your boy, yo.
Bashment Granny.
That's your boy,
Not
yo.
Bashment. You know me at that boy.
Yes.
You know.
I know exactly what you're talking
Oh
about.
my
yo.
I ain't tapping the Bashment though. I ain't gonna lie. I know. I wasn't. I'm a young nigga. The fuck.
It's like a newer. It was a newer type of. Not. It was a newer Shatas. Yeah. It was a more.
I ain't
more
tapping
current
it.
Shatas.
Basically, it was like if we shot it, but it still had Shata's essence.
Yes. Literally, because it was younger niggas. It wasn't nobody that was already famous and nothing. It was just some regular.
Couple of them were actors already, like
were they?
Low key
in the community.
In that community.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm pretty sure if you see it, you might say see it already. You just seen them.
What? No, I feel like I probably seen clips, but I can't say I sat down and actually watched that shit. You know.
I can't remember the actor name. You know, that's the character name I should say.
Other than that, though. Let me ask y'all this, since we're here, we talking about Black History, we in Black History Month.
We ran up in the studio and made them play the dub. We ran up in the club, made them play the dub. Yo, that was some shit.
What?
And that big long leather jacket.
Other than that, oh yeah, let me ask y'all this, or Dr. Sauer.
Yes, sir.
Cause the reason why I ended up got put onto that shit, we was about to watch Belly. You know, Shawty came on and said she wanted to watch Belly, so I'm like, fuck it, you know. I watched it before, but I lied and say I didn't watch it. But yeah, I did see it before. I didn't remember it though. So movies that I don't remember, I don't mind watching it again.
Movie.
Yeah, it is.
They all older movies.
So I say that to say this. If you was to talk to a Jamaican or average Jamaican and ask them what would be a classic Jamaican movie, they probably tell you Shatas.
Or Third World Cop.
And Third World Cop, right?
Yeah.
You know, what would be Dancehall Queen? I'll just tell him I just watched that too. I'm young.
He just watched
I watched that over the week.
You can't imagine that, dog.
I enjoyed it. I ain't gonna lie. But
he's a Jamaican fam.
That's how it go.
Damn, fam.
That's how it go. That's crazy, fam. But
them.
Let me ask you this though. What if I was to ask you what would be a classic American, African American movie to watch? What would you direct me to?
Stage Property.
So many, yeah, man.
Remember that?
You said Stage Property?
That's what.
Yo, we got so many though, man. Like damn, you got me thinking of a classic one. Boys in the Hood.
Yeah, okay.
Menace to Society.
All right, you gotta get two, bro.
John
you get two.
You
get an action and some type of love/sports, whatever. Or an
action
other
movie?
Yeah, like Shatas. I feel like Shatas.
So Belly don't count?
Wait, no.
You could say whatever. You could say whatever. It's up to you. I can't tell you what to pick.
I like this is a great topic for Black History. So
it is.
But before finish with how we week went.
Oh, the week. Okay, we get back to that. That is right. That is a great topic actually.
Well, yeah, my week I watched the movie. I ain't do shit, bro. I ain't do shit, bro. I've been trying to get my damn check engine light off. I ain't gonna lie. So I ordered a new part for it. But I can't work on my truck because it's too cold outside.
You listen for the first time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But now that's again. So if anything, bring it to that mechanic shop. But when I like that mechanic shop. Yeah. But how was your week, bro?
My week was all right, man. I can't complain, man. I took a few days off of work earlier this week.
Oh, you bougie.
Cause yeah, bro. I needed some time away, man. You know how you just get
yeah,
y'all niggas get off seasons and everything.
That Valentine and then them Valentine nights and shit got you.
Not even that, bro. It's just that Bro, you know how you get burnt out with the people you around, man? Like, especially when you work around and everything you doing. You
Yeah, everybody on vacation, yeah?
Yeah, that's all it was, a little mini vacation, man.
Look at staycation. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
I've been chilling, man.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
I had a full week without my son. It was love, man.
Any snowboarding this
Yes,
season?
sir. I was out last night, as a matter of fact. Legs sore as a motherfucker from that
word?
trip.
Yeah, wow.
It was nice. We definitely was out there last night, man. It was cold as a bitch, but it was that snow. It was nonstop snow.
Yeah, bugging. But shouts out to y'all. Jay, what you do this week? Did you bathe? I know you have a very exciting weekend coming up, but I don't know if you want to tell the people about that. But yeah, what was your week?
Oh! Whoa!
Yeah, BADDIES!
Whoa!
Yeah, BADDIES!
Whoa! The reveal is crazy! Yo! Beans, we see this?
Did you zoom in?
Come here. Yo!
There's no way he was waiting to walk through this door.
Yeah!
Look at the locks.
Yeah? No, Saturday. Last Saturday.
Yo, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like I seen you since last night.
And I had my hat on. Eh?
I wasn't ready.
I just woke up and
Chat, we need to talk.
Wake up the bar.
I see why he wanted to talk about Lisa, but we need to talk. Me pussy clock.
Yo!
You're funny.
Black History Month, huh?
Chat, I wasn't ready.
I don't think nobody in this building was ready for that.
Yo, that's why I'm so quiet. Nah.
Yo, son.
But he was just here. This nigga was just here. Nah.
Crazy.
Damn. Yo,
But you know what though? That mean your waves gotta be. That mean your waves gotta be right now.
No, yeah, you definitely. I'm gonna talk shit. Yeah, don't show your head now.
No, my waves in there now.
Yeah, we can see some. Yeah,
it's a ripple. It's a ripple.
I'm trying to tell you. Give me like
some ripples.
Give me 2 more weeks.
You have a small river right now.
Yeah, everybody come down here.
He got the pond.
But yeah, damn. W reveal.
Yo, he did that.
Yeah, he did that.
None of us saw that coming. I'm gonna be honest with you, chat. Nobody in here knew that was happening.
Yeah, that was not planned.
Nah, Puna, you knew that already? You knew about this?
That nigga was here all day.
So I did I kind of documented the whole thing from cutting it and when I revealed it to my family and everybody. So hopefully I can take this clip and just so everybody can see.
Yeah, that's a reaction video for real. That was a real reaction video, bro.
Yeah, man, I just woke up last Saturday morning and I was like.
So you had that in a whole week?
Going through a midlife crisis?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to start fresh.
Then I'm gonna stop talking shit.
Cause you know I had this.
Because you be taking shit.
Cause you know
I thought about doing that before too.
Yeah, because I had the sides and then time to get like a haircut, then get a retwist. So I just want it done next time.
I thought about doing that before.
Either or, not both next time. You know?
Damn.
You know how much
that's wild.
A whole haircut and a retwist cost, nigga.
Yeah, bro.
I like it.
This nigga took the real. This nigga took the real person.
I me have one of them things that me have it one night.
Damn.
Yo, the fact that he had him on under the hat was crazy.
Yeah, he had it on all day. Like, bro, this nigga was beside me all day.
Yo.
Nah. I'm stunned.
So, everybody, like we say, moving on, we're still on the topic.
Nigga, we're not moving on. We're about to roast this shit, your bald-headed ass motherfucker.
You ain't about to scroll past this shit.
Yo, these niggas.
Chat, what y'all think about the new cut? Chat, what y'all think about the new cut? Cause I'm
nah, I ain't gonna lie to you.
But you know what funny, dog? I'm gonna tell you what me I still do. When I go beard, me I take off this sitting there for me and
This
so
nigga
you so used to it.
This nigga got phantom here. That was the pussy clock. This nigga got phantom dreads.
Yeah, chat, what y'all think about the cut?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, it fit you, bro.
Yeah, shit. It fit
you.
I don't know about fit, but it wasn't as bad as I was expecting it to be. I thought you gonna be zuggy, bro.
You know what gonna be the problem,
bro.
If his hair catch up to you,
you actually.
Don't make me ear come grow past you,
man. You know what's crazy? I was just telling, I was like, yo, man, even started take my ear treatment good. I just wash it and smell good and everything, but you can't test me for no ways, dog. Like, I got natural ways, bro. So it's like, you know what I mean? I'm not for about that. You know what I'm saying? But
you look like this nigga beard. What are you talking about?
Yo, I haven't been taking.
Whoa.
Damn.
I didn't mean to have you catch a stray. I'm sorry.
I haven't been taking my hair care serious. You know what I'm saying? But man, I started with my growth time and that. Cause once my hair done, if my hair done, I'm gonna get that 2-3 day tight. I don't be giving a fuck, bro. Like after that, I'll be like, fuck it.
My beard still got more hair than you right now, so you can say nothing.
That shit crazy.
I talk about you, Bucky.
That shit crazy. Man, I follow these still. That shit crazy. But shouts out to Jay, man. W review. I ain't gonna lie. You got me, bro.
Yeah, he got us all, bro.
You got me. Me not like, damn.
So can we proceed to Black History Month now?
Nigga, it's always black. Nigga, that's Black History, nigga.
That is history, yo.
That is history, nigga. Like, what the fuck?
You want to keep your locks? You want to get them reattached one day?
No, not reattached.
Okay.
Have you haven't finished griefing yet? You done griefing yet, or like PTSD or? I mean, that shit was fake anyway. So fuck that shit. Yeah, shouts out to the new look, bro. You know what I'm saying?
It's crazy.
Damn. Ladies, Jay and Uber, they got the blood cry. Oh, God. A whole new tack this and all that.
Oh, wow. I mean, when they call it,
are you going to do another review?
Yeah, we got to do another flyer.
Another review next
we got to do
Sunday?
a flyer now.
Huh?
We just released a new flyer. Now we got to do a whole new one.
I don't think he was thinking about that, bro. He was.
No, let me tell you what the funniest part now. So remember me cut it last Saturday morning, you know.
Damn, that's a lot.
Where I went in the night. The Bob Marley.
Oh yeah, you did.
So be like, Jaja, my art.
Damn. What kind of disrespectful shit is that?
Right.
Yeah,
I said, Jaja, Bob, probably
nigga, you cut your dreads and went to go. Anyways.
But that's the only thing that, was kind of fucked up. But other than that, my neck's been cold and my ears been cold.
I'm about to say, your ears probably bad cold, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
But you probably sleeping bad comfortably now.
Nah.
Word?
Do-rag.
You gotta put
you really trying for these ways.
You gotta have
I don't want to be out here looking all types of crazy.
So let me ask you this. Are you good at that? Are you got Baba?
Where have you been this whole conversation?
No, but I'm still lost, nigga. The fuck?
Apparently.
I'm still like. Are you cousin?
No, the barber.
Oh.
The barber shop.
Damn.
He made sure it wasn't.
Did he try to talk you out of it?
About that part. So
yeah, who tried to?
I sat in the chair. He's like, "So what you about to do?" Because he always getting extra tools because he got to do design. I'm like, yo, I'm about to cut it out. He said, cut it. He said, you're not even serious, man. See, you got to still, because me have 2 side braids in.
Yeah.
He said, you got this braid still in here, you're not serious. So, even the day I washed your hand and I ate breakfast a couple minutes, and I took them bitches out, and I sat down, and I took a deep breath. I said, you sure? Before I could answer, yeah, snip, snip. I was like,
you can't go back now, nigga. They don't turn it back.
And nigga even wait to me answer, and nigga just cut. Somebody just said, fuck it.
Damn.
And then down
damn.
Yep.
Chat.
So can we please proceed?
All right. Yeah. Moving on.
Yeah,
we're moving forward.
Moving on. I can't come up with no jokes right now. So I need. Oh my god.
Cool. Next week.
Pissed.
Just hold him on.
Oh my god.
His hair been like this for a while, yo.
Bro, I just sent this nigga a fucking cartel reel, brother. You took that shit serious, bro?
Oh, what he was talking about, nigga?
Did you take that shit serious, bro? Like, what the fuck, bro?
Yo, you can't drop that chat in the chat, yo.
Yo, this nigga funny. Y'all funny.
Damn. Well, moving on. What we got going on, bro?
That's funny.
I heard that, man.
We got to do
That's funny. Y'all funny.
Yo, chat. Oh, my God.
Come on, man. Get our toast out, man.
All right.
Did we toast?
No, we was waiting for this nigga.
Toast it. All right, man. I'm sorry. I'm already lit.
Like we said, we was here last week.
Yep.
And we here again this week. For that, we thank God.
You know what was here last week?
What?
Your dreads.
I say,
hold
up.
Shout out to everybody, man.
And drinking.
And anybody that is
Right.
collecting a birthday, celebrating a birthday or anything,
Cups up.
cups up to you.
What you drinking?
Cranberry and vodka.
What the fuck at?
That,
Me no mix avocado.
what the hell is that?
What, that?
No, vodka this.
That's rum.
Oh, I thought it was vodka. But yeah, people. So Black History, and we was on the topic of classic black movies.
Yeah.
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 So my question was, I said I just watched for the first time Dancehall Queen. As a born Jamaican, I watched Dancehall Queen for the first time over the weekend.
Yeah,
and I was put on to it
chest.
by A. American. Huh?
You gotta get it off your chest.
That's a recap for people when I chat whenever I hear
Like
me.
we said, we on Black History Month and we asking what's some classic movies, classic movies
Yeah,
in,
what
our
would be
in your culture, black culture.
the two top black classic American?
And it could be your opinion. It don't gotta be popular opinion. It could be your opinion.
It has to be something that you, because if it would ask me, as I said, Minasa Shatters, I'm definitely going to say
I will say for our culture, if you're going to go off for, so then, regular, for regular, just a regular type of shit, I'll say Boys in the Hood.
Okay.
Boys in the Hood is a classic black movie.
Okay.
Classic, very classic black movie. Damn, I'm trying to think of another, like an action. You said an action one.
Yeah, you more
a
like
good action black movie. I feel like Belly fall in that category, man. Juice. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. All in the building.
Here's some Bree in the chat talk about Baby Boy.
Baby Boy is classic.
I've heard of that. I can't say I remember.
Paid in Full.
Yeah, I mentioned that too in my conversation.
Those are all. I feel like those are all new. But see that once again, I think it go with era and age too, though. Because Paid in Full.
That's why it's an opinionated question.
Oh, I got one. It might be a stretch, but since you said age and era, Harlem Nights.
Yeah. Coming to America.
Bingo. You see this?
Coming to America. Classics, man.
But what me I said, though, I understand America. Remember, I want to do movies, I understand that. So obviously, y'all going to have more. But probably I should say 5. I'm going to give y'all 5 since I have so much. Top 5. You have to do
black, and it got to be black movies.
Yeah, it has to be. It can't be no. Yeah, it has to be a black movie. It don't have to be no. Cinematic shit. What y'all have?
I was just about to say that. I was going to say that. Boys in the Hood, Color Purple. Who was he said?
It's a person name already.
Yeah, Boys in the Hood, Color Purple, Juice. I'll even throw Waiting to Exhale in there for the ladies, yo.
Waiting to what?
That's a classic one. Waiting to Exhale.
Okay,
Whitney Houston was in it, bro.
I don't think I've ever heard about that one. Not gonna lie.
She got popular songs off of that shit.
What's Higher Education?
That was Busta Rhymes was in that. It's Higher Learning, isn't it?
Somebody said Higher Education.
Yeah, I think they mean Higher Learning. Is that an American person that said that?
Yes.
Yeah, I think y'all talking about Higher Learning, but maybe Higher Education is something I never heard of. I'm sorry, maybe Higher Education is something I never heard of. Higher Learning was the one with Busta Rhymes in it, though. You would think it's, Spike Lee movies.
Okay.
Do the Right Thing.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Crooklyn. White Man Can't Jump.
Yeah.
Lean on Me. You right.
Passenger 57.
Sam. We could bring Sam up.
Higher Learning
That's
is
not
right.
Sam.
Passenger 57?
That
That
is
was
not-
Wesley. That was Wesley.
Yeah.
What was Sam? Sam was Snakes on the
Snakes
Plane.
on the Plane.
It was another plane movie.
Blade.
Blade.
Yeah.
I saw a Blade t-shirt I bought. That shit crazy. I can't wait to get that one.
Okay.
Boy,
That's a lot, man.
Action wise, that's so crazy. Action wise. Speaking of that, and Black History Month, you talking action wise. Blade is a black action movie. A lot of people don't realize is that Wesley Snipes, when they casted him for Blade, because originally they was going to cast Lawrence Fishburne, when they casted him for Blade, they didn't realize that Blade would be what brought back Marvel movies. So Marvel movies was a dying thing. Like all of those Avengers movies and all that shit we see all these nowadays was all not about to happen. But when they casted Wesley Snipes to that role, he single-handedly brought back Marvel movies because they was going down the drain. They was about to sell it and everything.
He only made one appearance.
Blade? It was 3 Blades.
No. In the Marvel movie.
Oh yes, correct.
Damn.
And then he made the one, and then he was in that last Deadpool Wolverine too.
Yeah.
But
damn,
he
that was the appearance I was talking about. That's the only one I remember.
We got Kenny. We got a couple more. We said don't be a man already. I think
Friday.
Said South Central.
South Central, yeah.
She said South Central.
Friday. How did we not say Friday?
You come on now. That's on you, bro.
High?
That's on you.
Facts.
But it's too much, bro. I feel like it's too much. But then again, maybe I said 5. Maybe you gotta put it at 10.
Nah,
maybe
you gonna be here naming all night, bro.
Yeah, you gonna maybe you should put it at 20.
It has to be like movies where you would actually like you boast about, like
it's just like you said. It's so many, yo. It's so many.
What I'm trying to show is it's like it's a black movie that represents truly your culture. It represents your.
All right, I got
all of that.
No.
Let me
you mean in a positive way?
It don't matter in terms like all right. So for me, Dancehall Queen. What I liked about Dancehall Queen, the dialect in that shit was true. I mean, some
all
of it
the movies that they just listed was minus the action, minus the fiction one and stuff like that.
So all right, so if you want somebody to learn something about,
and Wesley still kept his little hood kind of demeanor to his Blade character.
If you want to learn something, all right, somebody fresh off of the boat, and you want them to learn like they moved to New York City and they
currently or in now at this point that's what you got to name an era.
No, currently the person is like 20 years old, nigga, but you want them to. Like, I imagine, but y'all spark up a conversation like this. Like, they so young. Well, my age. They gotta be mad because they gotta remember old movies. So they talking about shatters and all these things, and you know what I'm saying? They trying to explain to you what a garrison is, what you know what I'm saying, what
Fruitvale
Uptown is. So what movie truly depicts like a true like hood.
So me being from
American hood and American lifestyle.
Me being from the East Coast and New York State, New York area.
Yeah.
For us, it'd be something like Juice. Juice would explain that more so, but that's more New York City.
And back in
Somebody said New Jack City.
Yes, that's another good one.
I think I tapped into that. So
but I feel like that's also kind of if we going era wise, something like Killer Season.
I see why you're saying era because different shit happened in different eras, different movies.
Like if we have an 80s movie compared to a 2000s. Yep, I was the first one I said.
I think they said that.
Yeah, the first one I said was Boys in the Hood.
Okay.
But those show you how like West Coast too. Once again, that's not New York area. Mm-hmm. The Boys in the Hood and the South Central and those Don't Be a Menace. Those was more so West Coast based.
Okay.
If we talking East Coast based, that's your Paid in Fulls, your Killer Seasons, your State Properties, your
Oh, you talking about West Coast? Poetic Justice.
Mm-hmm.
Poetic Justice.
Yeah.
Is that a movie?
Yeah. Poetic Justice with Janet Jackson.
He is too confident about that. He ain't sound like he want to say it.
Yeah, Tupac, Janet Jackson.
He didn't sound like he wanted to say it, bro. No, I don't know. I couldn't even hear what you said.
Oh, I just said it like that's a classic.
Now I hear what you said. Okay, I got a lot of classics, I guess. You know, I watched most of those. I ain't gonna lie, but all right. Another quick question about like.
Oh, sorry, I gotta name this one if you last one.
Go ahead.
And because Mr. Arlen just walked in. That nigga, that Mr. Clark.
He said lean on me. What I said lean on me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is Joe Clark, man.
What is that?
They used to call me lean on me. Oh man, you should really watch. That's what's so crazy that lean on me represent all us. It just represents city schools. Just a bad school, a shitty city school that he came in and brought it up. I went to East High School. Shit, they was called East High, but I went to East High School, yo.
Anyway, so
Fairy Side. Y'all know nothing about that.
Yeah,
bro.
I didn't.
They used to call me Batman. No, he said they used to call me Crazy Joe Clark. Now they call me Batman. Y'all gotta watch Lean on Me, man. If y'all ain't seen Lean on Me, make sure y'all watch Lean on Me, yo. Lean on Me is.
I don't have the true facts right now, but since we talking about history and all this shit, I just learned that Jamaica had mad parishes, bro. Like 22 of them things.
Explain to people what parishes are.
Parishes. I heard that Jamaica had at least 22 parishes at one point.
What exactly is a parish?
And they just condensed them. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the rule right now.
Purple Rain.
Nah, it changes over the years.
Purple. Oh yeah, Purple Rain.
It was before.
It was. A lot of them stay the same, but a lot of them were like different names. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can look it up.
Can you explain to me what a parish is, please?
So a parish is like a state. It's
what we call a state.
It's
Caribbean.
How many do they have? How many are there right now?
Now it's officially 14. They're trying to make Portmore. They're trying to make another parish out of Portmore. You know what I'm saying? But that's kind of why that, you know. But that's been a talk before I even left. I ain't gonna lie, because they've been developing Portmore to try to aim in that direction. But
and they gotta pay a whole toll to go there.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
No, man, it was really. It's maps to this shit. I just can't post it right now, but.
So there were, at one point there were 22.
Yeah, at one point it was really 22 parishes.
Now, when you was growing up, you only knew of 14.
I only knew of 14.
Okay.
So that was just an interesting. I mean, chat, y'all could tell us if.
That's like when I was growing up, it was only 50 states. That was it, 50.
You know, it's 52.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey.
Ain't there talk about them making it the 13 colonies again?
That'd be crazy. The 13 colonies would be insane.
I think I hear some people saying it, but anyway.
The Jamaicans in the chat, let me know, man. I got the reel and everything, you know.
Y'all heard about this?
You know.
Y'all heard about this $5,000 stimmy?
In the Doge shit?
Yeah.
Man.
So you getting bitcoins in
yeah, Doge coins if 5,000 worth if Elon Musk do some shit with the taxes or whatever. Like, I don't know, yeah, man.
But you'd have to be on. Ain't you have to be?
Probably link up with all his shit.
No, you'd have to. Don't you have to? We'd have to buy into Bitcoin and shit to receive that, or
Dogecoin and Bitcoin is two different things.
Oh, Dogecoin, whatever it is.
Totally different. Yeah.
Crypto, whatever.
It's still cryptocurrency. Yes.
Yeah, crypto. But damn. I mean, yeah, my for PM way, I guess my for PM way, you know, I don't know what I'm call it. Is that an official thing or is it?
I don't know. I was just asking if y'all heard about it because I heard about it, but I didn't know how official it is.
Since we on the is our game night week, tell us some games that they only played in the black culture.
Now, and it's so crazy that you say black culture. In reality,
in America, I should say.
In reality, it's just hood culture.
Yeah, hood culture.
Because we can't, and it's wild that I gotta put it like that. But like, black culture is mostly just for me, at least, is hood culture. Mm-hmm. Like, I mean, I grew up in the hood, and me and Mr. Alden was talking about some shit the other day. Curveball. Curveball was a game that we used to play.
That.
And that the basketball where y'all stand on either side of the curb and then shoot the ball and try to
get it over the curb. Try to get a bounce off of the curb. If you get a bounce off a curb over a car, that's like double points, yo. Like you really
wait, while the car's passing?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you.
But if you
most
don't,
of the time they don't play while you gotta pay. You gotta pay the consequence for that. Damn. Okay.
I feel like a lot of the games we played was kind of universal to a T. Like it might just been a different name, like Manhunt.
Yeah.
Like what? They call it in the side of town, uptown.
I mean, when we played Manhunt, it was you tag people and they all became like you was all. You had the whole neighborhood.
Yeah, so hide and seek.
Yeah, basically something like that. Something like that. Minus the hiding part. Like you just chasing motherfuckers down, and then once you tag them, they on your team, and you chasing you trying to avoid getting caught.
Like an infected zombie type of shit.
Exactly, some shit like that.
Yeah,
damn, I'm trying to think of another game niggas used to play. I mean, you got the basics, basketball, shit. Football, the street.
Give us one of your childhood
Tap.
games.
Oh, Tap. Did y'all play Tap?
What's that?
Tap was another one. So Tap was you jump, you throw the ball. So say it's the three of us playing.
Oh, you're not supposed to have your feet on the ground.
Yeah. So when you catch the ball, you gotta make sure you're jumping. And toss it to the other person.
Yeah, yo, that shit is crazy because in our gym class, I play with some of my friends that do track. Mm-hmm. And, you know, obviously, athletes be trying to OD. We do it with a medicine ball.
Oh. Yeah, that's real. Yeah. Tap with a medicine ball is real.
And every time somebody drop out, you go up a higher with the however heavier the ball gets.
Ooh, that's actually smart. That's dope.
Yeah, so those are the track guys, but those guys' abs, bro, crazy.
Yeah, I bet, yo. That's
what?
Yeah, that's a good.
Oh, you talking about the weight ball? Yeah, okay.
Hey, we definitely should try to get that on content because that would be dope.
I thought you were talking about like actual like keeping up with your foot. Yeah, okay.
No, it's like yeah, that's it. Like how he explained it, it's like that.
Yeah, that's it. That was a fun one. Top was definitely a good one. We used to slap box. Yeah, I know about that slap boxing.
Well, me used to play Dandy Shandy.
You ever play slap box?
Me used to play
hold on. You ever slap box?
I know. No, I know the slap box thing.
Hey, son. That was when we used to
play Dandy Shandy.
We play Dandy Shandy.
What's that?
We play Chinese skip.
What's Dandy Shandy, Bucky?
Huh?
It sound wild. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Dandy Shandy is what you call dashball.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think you explained that to me before.
Yeah, it's a different. Yeah, we call it sightings. Nigga. Fun.
Why they call it Dandy Shandy?
I don't know. That's a great question. That's a great question. Damn. But
yeah, anybody in the culture.
Yeah, I don't know.
Know why they call dodgeball or sightings Dandy Shandy in Jamaica? Like we know. We're gonna do further research too, but if you
I'd have to look that up, but I don't know. But
the fuck is worse?
Police and thief was my thing. We used to love Bill gun, boat gun. I don't know. I Portmore live, so we used to love. We used to have a lot of backyards and unfinished buildings.
That was when we was younger though too. Yeah. That was definitely younger days.
Yeah, man. That was my childhood. Marble, bunks, last kid on the wall.
Y'all play Foursquare?
You know what I'm saying? What is Foursquare?
You got the box with 4 squares in it, and everybody standing in the square, and you got I think you had to hit the ball on the line. It's the same type of thing, like you had to but you couldn't hold the ball, like you had to just hit it. And to each person, and they had to hit one of those because it's literally a box, and then there's 4 squares in between inside the box, and each person standing inside of one of those squares. So you had to hit that line with the ball. Am I explaining that right, Chaz?
I mean, you is, but I don't know what the fuck you talking about. But
y'all play jacks, yo. Y'all niggas still play jacks out there, yo.
Jacks, the thing.
That's wild, yo.
That shit is fire.
That's wild.
Actually, me no see people play jacks.
Is that an older person thing?
Nah, that's a classic.
Primary.
Nigga. That's a classic.
Classic, but after that's a classic. Primary, me no see people
jacks
play jacks.
Crazy,
nah, like
yo.
No, nigga. Like that's a competitive game. That's a competitive game.
Marbles too.
What?
Yeah,
Yo,
bro,
listen. When
the
first time I
bro.
seen an old Jamaican man with a bag of marbles, and I'm like, yo, why this old ass man got a bag of marbles, yo?
Oh yeah.
And that nigga told me how serious he be about marbles. I said, oh, this is real. This shit is
like
real.
in primary school, nigga, everybody used to have like a bucket of marbles because, like I said, that was our sport.
Y'all play for keeps?
Yeah. If we beat you, nigga, we taking all that. Anything we hit, we take. So it's just like how how they would play Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon. You pick out your weakest cards, so we pick out our ugliest marbles first. Yeah. And use those.
Most, as you say, you have a joke, you got a pan of marbles. Most of them should just setting marbles. You call them setters. Yeah. You know, you just put them on. You just put them out there as like pawns and shit. Mm-hmm. But you got the pearl ones that you use as shooters. Mm-hmm. Like, you know what I'm saying? If a nigga steal that shit, it's problems. Yeah. Before suck your mother was thief in a man. Pearl marble. Yes, sir.
Chat,
the thief. I'm on pearl marble, man. You might as well tell him go suck your mother, man.
P-O-G-S. Pugs. Anybody remember them shits, yo? That was an old one we used to play when we was younger, yo.
Hey, Beans and Bucky, remember Bong Pan Wall?
Bong Pan Wall. Ain't that the last shit I just said?
What?
Wait, boom the last kid on the wall? Yeah, that's what I said that.
What's that?
Boom the last kid on the wall and thing.
And you know, we used to walk around with rubber bands in our hands?
Yeah.
It was the thing we used to bounce it on the wall, and if mine fall or yours or overlap it, I take that.
Yeah. So whatever the set is, you know, some people play like hood niggas play for money, kids play for actual rubber bands. So you literally see a motherfucker walk up and his arm is full of rubber bands. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And he literally won that shit from that shit.
Speaking of hood games, rolling dice, nigga.
Yeah, did we roll dice?
Growing up, rolling dice. That's what we did. Y'all niggas was playing Louis. That was y'all dice rolling.
I find that
Louis was y'all dice rolling.
Yeah. I find that dice game really interesting though.
Yeah, man.
Like this, like the one though, the actual dice game with the hood niggas be playing, setting all that bread. Yeah, I find it interesting. I still haven't figured it out yet.
I don't know where they might play.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck they're doing. But 4, 5, 6, yeah. I find it really interesting, but I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Just give me one dice and let me know. Hey, you threw the ice when we or 2 dice.
At the Catholic school shooting dice.
God,
we used to be in the Catholic.
Yeah, I find that shit dope, though. I don't get it. I don't know. It's been explained to me, but
still don't get it.
I still don't get it.
Yeah. But all right, people.
Yeah.
Let's say moving forward.
Mad games.
But like we said, we on Black History Month, and then it's also our
you
game
ain't
week.
got it. Just go in the damn
So
game.
it's also our
with your
game
damn
week. So
shit.
we
Your
got
bald
some
headed
Black
ass
History
motherfucker.
Jeopardy ready, and apparently it's gonna be.
I'm
like
on
3
type it. This nigga not even listening to me, bro.
Be here.
No, sir, I ain't here. What you say?
Nigga, yo, chat, we moving on. We about to hit Jeopardy. It's Jeopardy time.
And we got
God
three
damn.
this is 3 teams right here.
Damn.
We got 3 teams?
Yeah, me know Bucky gonna lose.
It's alright. I ain't from here.
Bucky had team 3 and me a team 1.
Team ain't gonna be.
No, I'm team 3. Don't put me team 3.
Alright. Me a team 1. Me a team 1.
Bandit.
Give me a team 1. Me a team 1. Me don't want to be team 2. I'm team 1.
I'm team 3.
Batty boy. It's crazy. His name is Bucky, and that's the second letter.
I'm the bandit.
Even worse. He Batty bandit.
Fuck you, nigga.
Yo.
Nah, it's not the, it's D-I.
Nah, bro, don't put that though. Not
is-
the 2 position, bro.
No good.
It's the bandit.
No
You
good.
want to be there.
It's D, the letter D, I, and then, yeah, the bandit. Yep. There we go. Now it's official. What the fuck you grabbing that for?
Yeah. Give me one to, cause anybody say no fuck up answer.
Yeah, nigga, you supposed to be
Pass
sipping.
me one, doctor.
You supposed to be sipping, nigga.
Oh, we sip it?
Yeah, you supposed to be sipping.
Yeah.
We'll be taking shots, but we
Yeah.
just sipping. Let me grab another.
Yeah.
Something
All right,
magic.
so, like they do in a fight,
I'll be back.
the rules have been given to you earlier. You've all agreed to them, and now we are out of here.
Yeah.
I ain't agree. Shit, my lawyer ain't say nothing to me.
Again, we've put it in the chat.
I was at work.
It's your fault if you didn't read it. You're on set.
Yep.
So act like you read this shit.
Let's go.
You wrong your drink, bro. That's it, bro.
If you don't answer your drink.
You don't answer your drink, bro. What?
You got another red stripe?
No.
Red stripe.
All right.
Nah, I just wanted free by.
Yo, chat, part of me, microphone ain't over here, but we got this. You got 6 categories.
Hold on, let me do a quick audio.
But you got Black History all the way up to Black History 6. You got 1 for easy. You got 5 if you think you really know it.
And 6 is random.
Who's that? There's 6 categories. Follow along. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do this again. You got 6 categories. Black History
You're pretty clear, bro. You good?
all the way to Black History 6.
All right.
You got your question level 1, kind of easy,
That's the
all
100s.
the way down to the 500. Those are the hardest.
Bet.
As far as the categories go, what's the
1, 0 through 6. 1 through 6. Black History.
okay?
That's your
It's
category.
levels.
Okay, that's just the levels.
So,
I got you.
Me first. Me I go Black History 3 for 200.
Black History for, you said Black History
3.
3
Yeah.
for
200, him say.
first Black President of the United States.
Wow.
Barack Hussein Obama.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Oh, I gotta ask the question.
You gotta say who is.
Yeah.
Bucky,
Yeah, so should he-
make sure you answer it in the form. Let him rock with that one. Make sure you answer it in the form of a question.
Okay, I'll try to.
Regular Jeopardy rules. You know Jeopardy rules.
A little bit. I'll try to remember, though. All right.
All right, what you got?
It's on you.
Oh, it's on me now?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm second? Okay, but I'm gonna start easy. I'm gonna say Black History for 100.
Black History.
Yeah.
What music genre, chattered by its use of turntables and sampling, was founded in Black America communities in the Bronx, New York, in the 1970s?
Oh.
I'll steal.
Nah, bro. You don't know. You can't steal yet, son.
Yeah. Okay.
1970. I don't know. I said, what is hip hop?
What is hip hop?
Okay.
Ding, 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 ding,
Got
ding,
it.
ding.
You got it. Good job. Good job.
Okay. Well, cloud my spot. Your turn.
Let me get Black History 2 for 300.
Black History 2 for 300. Who made the term YOLO? You only live once. Popular.
That's crazy, yo. I don't even want to answer this.
Yeah!
You know what? You know I will answer it. Who is Drake?
Who is he?
Who is Drake? Good answer. All right, now technically, if you get it right, you're supposed to keep going.
Keep going, yeah. We going off of those rules, or we?
I can do that.
Losers drink.
Yeah,
That's how the rules was. I said.
And if you don't get it,
you don't get it.
Y'all keep it score. Who keep it score?
I am. But
Oh, yeah.
to give. Who that last point went to?
That was me. 300. I'm up.
There you go. All right, who we got?
Starting this round, we can. If you get it right, you keep going.
Until you get it wrong.
All right, so.
But every time he answered it correct, we got a drink.
Give me
if he answers it correct.
3 for 100.
3 for 100. Beyonce used to sing with this hit group.
Oh wow.
Who is Destiny Child?
Who is Destiny's Child? Ding 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 ding
Easy,
ding.
but I wouldn't know that shit either. So I mean, that's not easy.
Bucky drink, yo.
Next pick. Gallus again.
All right. Give me CM3 for 300.
Sim tree for tree.
Mm-hmm.
We won 4 medals in the 1936 Olympics held in Berlin, Germany. You can answer or you can pass.
You can't pass. You can pass.
You can.
You can.
That person didn't get it right. They're safe from drinking.
Okay.
And the rest of you will drink it up. 10 seconds.
Pass. Fuck. I don't. Fuck. We can't remember.
Who's gonna pick it up? If not, they all drink it. 5, 4.
You got it wrong.
3.
We all drink.
2, 1.
I think it's something McDonald, no?
Who is
Jesse fucking Owens? Oh my God. I knew that too. I knew that. That's fucked up.
Drink,
Take
nigga.
a drink.
It go by the J again?
No.
Nah, let's go to me.
It go to Bucky now.
I'll go Black History 6 for 100. Let's go
6
big.
for 1.
Yeah.
This gymnast became the most decorated American gymnast in history with 32 Olympics and World Championship medals. Who is she?
This was the 100?
Right. That's easy though.
I don't know.
What? 10 seconds.
I ain't from here.
Y'all are horrible. The whole house is stuffed. Wow.
I know. I think I know.
5 seconds.
I'll
Is that
pass it
girl with
to you
that
then.
smile?
He passed
She
it.
definitely got a smile. Dominique Doss.
That is wrong.
Who is it?
Simone Biles.
Oh, Simone Biles. She got 32 Olympics?
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy.
Damn. I didn't know she had 32.
Yes. I was about
Drink,
to
nigga.
y'all call yourself football fans, but that gave it away who she was dating, but I'm not getting to stand.
Yo, I did not know she had 32. That's crazy.
Damn.
Damn, she got hella
Shouts out
medals.
to her.
Yeah.
Damn.
And it's on you, DJ Sour. Doctor.
Thank you.
Go for it.
Let me get Black History 4 for 200.
Black History 4 for 200. What is the name of the influential record label founded by Barry Gordon Jr. in Detroit, which played a pivotal role in the development of music?
It's not Motown.
Motown.
What is
But ladies
Motown
and
Records?
gentlemen,
I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. He did
I did
not
say what is Motown
what
Records.
is.
Fuck.
He does not get those.
Dang. All right.
So he drinks. Fuck it. Fuck it.
Dallas.
All right.
Yeah, this pretty ballin'.
Black 1 for 4.
Black 1 for 400.
Oh, you out here
Whose
boozing.
autobiography was titled By Any Means Necessary?
Come on, man.
You got 10 seconds on the clock.
I don't know this shit too.
I got this.
Yo, chill on my boy, bro.
got
We ain't
this.
from here.
Malcolm X.
Good shit, yo.
And
Oh, you got it right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, good shit.
Hey, watch,
bro. I ain't
watch
know.
this. That was freestyle. You know how I know? Because he always put that in his speeches.
Drink, motherfucker. Yo, drink. You got it right, motherfucker.
I thought we drinking. Okay.
Yeah, we.
Yeah, yeah.
The fuck?
All right, so I'll do 1 for 300. Oh, shit.
Oh, it should have been multiple choice the whole time, bro.
That's how it go, bro.
Come on,
That's
man.
how Jeopardy go.
The first black writer to win a Nobel Peace Prize. A. James Baldwin.
I still
B.
don't know this
Toni
shit.
Morrison. Or C. Langston Hughes.
I know all these motherfuckers.
One of them was my frat brother.
Definitely
He said
Nobel
Langston
Peace
Hughes.
Prize.
Who is Toni Morrison?
Goddamn, he got it wrong.
Langston Hughes did not win.
He didn't win a Nobel Peace
Drink,
Prize
nigga.
at all. Yeah. I didn't know James Baldwin won one.
I don't think he did.
Okay. I didn't say, I don't know that.
I'll go Black History 100, please.
This black history entrepreneur invented the hot coal.
I honestly don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. So
You passing?
Yeah, I want to learn.
Passed it on.
I honestly don't. I can't.
Who is
think of
Madam
it.
C.J. Walker?
Who is Madam C.J. Walker? Okay. Hot comb.
Madam C.J.
Oh, I got a drink. I don't got a drink, yo.
Nah, I definitely got a drink on that. I should, you know.
Let me get Black History 5 for 3.
Who was the celebrated
Oh,
conductor of the Underground Railroad, a network of safe houses and secret
This is
routes
300?
that helped elevate black
You know all this
escape to freedom?
Who is the almighty Harriet Tubman?
This nigga said.
Harriet Tubman.
You ain't know that? The Underground Railroad? That's not the first name that come to your mind?
Drink, nigga.
Oh, I was down there like, why you didn't know that?
Yo, you
I
ain't know
know,
that?
but you know, I know all this shit, but I forget all this shit, bro. Like, gotta study American history some more. I'm just not studying Jamaican
Oh,
shit.
let me
dude.
get
I'm
Black History
I'm
4 for
revamping
3.
my Jamaican history.
This court case ended legal segregation in public schools.
What is...
He about to talk crazy.
Oh, why do I want to say Roe versus Wade? It's not that, though. Damn.
That's
10 seconds. That's crazy. Right.
Oh, I know this, too.
5.
I passed the J. Go.
Damn.
I do know this, too.
He's about to say something, Jay. Come on
I
now.
was about to say the same thing, but he making me
8
doubt myself.
seconds.
Damn, I don't know, bro.
Yes, I'm going Roe versus Wade.
Oh, y'all not serious.
I can't think of it. Go ahead, Gwen. What is it?
Brown versus the Board of
Brown
Education.
versus the fucking board.
I actually knew that.
Roe versus Wade.
I actually knew
What
that,
was Roe
bro.
versus Wade?
Roe
Damn.
Wade was something else, yo.
Abortion.
That's what it was.
actually
That's
knew
what it was.
that.
Roe Wade was
Damn.
abortion. Thank you.
I learned that in history class.
All right, Jay, it's on you.
I forgot it. I knew it though. Deep down. I'm frustrated right now.
Do 400, same category. 4 for 4.
4 for 4. What was the first black-owned company to be traded on the New York Stock Exchange? A. Tesla. B. BET, Black Entertainment Television. Or C. Oprah Winfrey Network.
That's an interesting question.
I'm going to go with Tefler.
It's Telfair.
Yeah. Telfa.
It's Telfair.
Ooh.
What?
We were wrong back here, too.
Ooh,
B.
drink, nigga.
2. BET.
Drink,
Black
motherfucker.
Entertainment.
No,
That was
okay.
straight.
I
Drink,
wasn't. First
motherfucker.
off, I wasn't saying that was the name of it. What I was saying was that it was. Y'all saying the name Telfire wrong.
No, I agree. I was trying to pronounce it too. I don't know.
It's BET. It's Telfire.
Telfar. Yeah,
Tefler.
that's what I said.
Oh, Tefler. Okay, never mind.
Damn. I don't know none of this shit.
Bucky, it's on you.
Shit. Black History 2 for 200, please.
Who was the black American mathematician and NASA scientist portrayed in the film?
Oh, they just had that movie
For her
too.
pivotal role in the early days of the U.S. space program.
Who was Taraji Miss?
Who is 7 figures? We're giving you hints, man.
Who was Taraji?
Now I don't know.
That was
I don't remember
Taraji
these-
character, son.
I don't be knowing these characters, bro. I know what the movie is, but I know what movie I references, but I don't remember her name, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
So is it a pass?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one.
Everybody gonna pick up?
I ain't picking it up because I don't remember her name. I just know it was,
Nah, I know
it was
exactly-
Taraji character. That's all I remember.
I know the movie too, man, but
Catherine.
Yup. See, boom. Taraji character, like I said.
Catherine,
yeah.
That's shorty that Taraji played.
first black American mathematician.
Mm.
Okay.
She came in, she was dead young too.
Interesting.
All right, it's
Yeah,
on
I
me.
know
I
her
got to
name.
see her about something.
I'm going 2 for 4.
2 for 4. First African American to hold a seat
Damn, I
on the
don't know this
Supreme
one.
Court.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Fuck. First off, fuck the court systems, bro. We gonna be honest with everybody, yo. Fuck the court systems, nigga. Think I'll give a fuck? Fuck them, cuz.
Damn, this one I would not know.
I don't know.
I'm
gonna take my drink now.
I don't remember if they even told me this in U.S. history.
Right. I don't remember this in U.S. history, bro.
What was it?
Not in U.S. history.
Thurgood fucking Marshall. Wow, I should have known that.
Shouts out to him.
That was on me too. I feel bad about that. I'm gonna drink again because I should have known
You
that.
sound like he's a sheriff.
Thurgood.
Gallus.
All right, dude.
What's the chat saying, man? The chat got any answers for the shit?
They don't know none of these answers.
Let's see what the chat. All right,
3
the
for
chat.
4.
We'll call on the chat for the rest of the game too. 3 for 4.
3 for 4.
What did Martin Luther King Jr. give?
Oh.
When did Martin Luther King Jr. give his "I Have a Dream" speech?
When, as in the year?
He died in 68, I believe. Just to let you know, like, some background on that. He died in 68. 63?
No, cause that's never close to our independence. No, that's too. It was before that. After. It was after that. Because we got independence.
Wait, anybody got points lately? I don't think so. You ain't getting none, right? Okay.
We don't got no points?
60.
Well, y'all had points, but
65.
65?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
The answer would have been.
He said it. If
is.
Good year.
What is September 9th?
September.
Yo, the
Good
fact that you got 65 is. I give you
No,
that.
Good year.
I know.
Nah, let him get that one.
No, because
yeah.
we got ours in 62, and because it was a thing for me to brag like, yo, we got our independence before y'all got out of your bullshit.
But then I Have a Dream speech didn't get us out of nothing. It was
No,
just a speech.
I know, but still, that's the fact. Y'all was still fighting that shit. You know what I mean?
Yes, that means.
I don't know what you talking about. What get independent Iowa speech.
Oh. I feel up in
Jamaican, bro.
He said Jamaica get independence in 62. So, I mean, you know, he was happy that, you know, we
I mean, black people was already free, but we was just segregated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like because we was already. It wasn't like the I Have a Dream speech didn't get nobody free. It was just.
I didn't say it.
It was segregation still.
I didn't say that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No, I said the fact.
The chat is rooting for Bucky. I'm just reading. But
Jay,
they're also participating in getting this wrong.
Jay is not connected to the earth fully anymore, chat. So, yes.
Yo, what's the next one Bucky is gonna pick, yo? Yo,
Jay, mother.
Oh, you got it right. You got it right.
Yeah, I got my mother up a friend. But anyways, Jay is not connected to the
That's
ether
Samson,
anymore.
The line that made him do it?
It's true.
She said she a wicked. Anyway.
500. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ooh.
this here is the Daily Double.
Oh my God. I need this point right here, man.
You know, chat, give me help.
So, every person
Our phone dead. I can't even rely on chat. I'm sorry, chat. Go on, my bad.
can bid up to 600 points
For this answer?
for this answer. First, you gotta let us know. Ooh, in the chat, y'all let us know how many points.
Chat, I'm sorry, I'm letting y'all down.
So we get it in the chat. Y'all tell us how much.
How many points each of us got?
Nigga, I'm
I'm
winning.
lit.
So currently,
Chat, I'm lit.
Y'all ain't shit.
Bucky
I'm
has
enjoying
100.
myself.
Followed in second place, Dr. Sawa 300.
Should be
In
in first
Gallus,
0.
Yeah, that's
Gallus
correct.
has 1,100.
Damn. That nigga balling. That man, you get that few right.
You got that 500 one right.
Yeah, you got that few of them. God damn. Yo, chat, I'm sorry. I'm lit.
Go. Have a feeling. Get away. Get away.
I'm
get away.
actually smart.
All right, yo, so
I
what's up, man?
passed
You got a
U.S.
bid.
history
Yeah.
with
You
flying
got a
colors.
bid. You gotta make your bid, son.
So you gonna take Bucky 100 and still 02? He said you gotta bet 600.
Oh, you got to bet. Oh, you got to put up points, nigga. God
So
damn.
y'all gonna be at 0.
You don't got
The
shit.
chat being nice. They ain't bid for y'all. So, how many points you gonna put up? Each person get a chance.
300.
300.
I'm putting
I
up
don't know this answer, so I ain't going to put my hat where I can't reach it.
He said 0. Okay. What is your answer, Gallus?
Oh, the first American actress to win it.
Best actress. Okay. What the first best actress in America? That's a dope question.
Black history, bro. Remember?
Black actor. I'm sorry. We know what we talking about. The fuck?
Ain't it Halle Berry?
Did they win an award?
Mm-hmm.
They were awarded Academy Award for
the Academy Award.
Academy Award for the
first
best
African American actress to win an Academy Award for
best actress.
Halle Berry.
No, I was before that.
I don't know. I'm young, bro.
Halle Berry.
It's not.
Well, no.
Yeah, I'm working with the studio. Or if I remember, y'all, brother.
Who you going with? Yeah.
I'm saying, I'm going Angela Bassett.
Yo, why you over there telling them all the answers? This nigga smart too. He a nerd.
I'm going Angela Bassett.
We got Halle Berry in the
He
chat.
know his shit too.
We got
Halle Berry in the chat.
We got
Damn, Beans, what you say?
Angela Bassett. We got.
Mm.
Alright, so we're gonna. Anybody else gonna put it?
Where you
Alright,
going?
tell me the answer now, y'all.
Where you going, Bucky?
I'm gonna go.
You
I don't
allowed to
know,
say Halle
bro.
Berry as well. Deli Double. You can say
I say Halle Berry, man. Fuck it. I don't know, bro. I feel like, as I say, it's older, so probably gotta be before her. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
We got Halle Berry in the chat. Let's see.
She the first. Not the first.
Yeah, I don't think it's Halle Berry.
Oh, it's Holly. It's Holly.
Halle Berry.
As a matter of fact, you know when she got it?
know.
Holly got it when she was in Swordfish.
Fuck the white dude.
No, when she was in Swordfish,
God.
she showed her
She fucked the white
titties.
dude.
No, she didn't fuck
Monster
a white
Ball.
dude. She showed her titties when she got out
Fuck the white
the.
dude.
She fucked in Monster Ball. She fucked the white dude.
Oh shit.
And Swordfish was with John Travolta, and she showed her titties for the first time.
They gave her Academy.
Yes, it was. Yep.
You're right.
Okay. I ain't know none of this, but shouts out to Halle.
See who got that.
I fuck with her.
Halle Berry do it.
Her and Catwoman was my
That's
shit.
right. That's
Catwoman
right.
was trash.
That's
That's
why-
the wild part. She was just bad in it.
She bad.
She was
Catwoman
bad.
was
It was trash.
But,
Hey, just-
All right, so what's the score now?
The score now is Gallus 1,600, Bucky 600, and Dr. Sour 300.
How much?
Booking it at 600.
All right.
Yes, I
Kenny
said
Billy,
Halle Berry.
He just bid. He bid on the
I said
Daily
Halle
Double.
Berry, nigga.
The Daily Double. He said Halle Berry. All right, who turn is it?
Still Gallus.
I
Ken,
tell
if you lose points,
Oh, you lose? No, you just got to drink. You just got to drink, nigga.
take one points though. One buck that.
Why you trying to cheat, bro?
Yeah,
It's-
usually when you get it wrong,
you don't
Cause
answer,
you're
you get it wrong, you drink. The fuck?
Shut up. You gonna lose points too.
Damn, it's first time y'all win.
Black History 2 for 500.
All right.
The inventor of peanut
Damn,
butter.
I know his name.
Yeah, because I
we
just told
talk
you.
about it.
I just told you his name.
Oh man.
Oh, I can't wait to steal this shit.
It's Benjamin something.
Nope.
No.
I wasn't here.
Who is George Washington Carver?
Ooh, with the steel.
With the Steelers, crazy.
Give me my 5. Give me my 5.
Damn, you just.
like that, swooped in and stole that.
Just said I drink.
I just told him this. Check the episodes, guys. I just told him this one.
I was saying.
Let's do Black History 1 for 5.
I'm sorry.
1 for 5. This is what HBC.
What the bummer blood? Why he getting all the easy shit? I don't get all the
Historically
hard
black.
shit.
Historically black. I want to say college university, but it's not. Historically black.
Hilariously black.
Fuck.
Horribly.
Yo, chat. I need a chat.
What the fuck is the C?
Chat, I need your help.
Chat, who the C? What's the C?
I need your help.
Columbus.
No, I'm here to chat that part tonight. Chat,
said Columbus.
HBCU. What does that stand for? Come on.
Historically
Real
black.
quick. Before Dr.
Collegiate
Sauer.
University.
No.
What is historically black?
No.
Um.
No. No.
What is it? Okay, go ahead. I pass.
No, we have chance. We don't have to move till we get it. We have to figure this out.
Yeah,
I pass. I'm passing.
We should know this shit.
Y'all can't be my first for elixir week.
No, I him go here.
That's
I
a
Harvard
go.
graduate the same for you.
I ain't go to black. I went to Harvard.
Going back and looking at the videos, I've said this on air.
Opa.
Once again, bro, I went to Harvard, so we definitely wasn't at HBCU. So
You are funny.
Damn.
let's talk about. I said that shit.
This is not good.
Fuck out of here. I said that.
It
What?
said it is not. That
You said
because
oh,
I'm
you
like,
took it back.
I did take it back. You're right. I took it back. I said that shit. Damn. All right.
You wasn't confident. Damn.
That was the first thing I said.
Yeah, you took it back. You got a drink for that. I'm sorry. Doing great.
Yo, Linda, your type too slow. Me never see it.
That mean it goes back to Gallus.
Alright, 5 for 100.
5 for. You know, said 100.
Yeah, 5 history. Yeah.
5 for 1 is gone. 5
No, it's
No,
not.
it's up top.
5.
Black History
100 or
500. Yep, right there. God
The
damn.
first black woman to own a TV
Oh, you know that.
studio.
Oprah Network.
It was Oprah
Who is
Winfrey.
Oprah Winfrey?
Yeah, y'all about to say you was about to have that wrong.
Oprah, we almost.
It's because it's a TV studio, because she had owned.
Nah,
So, you know,
she did, but that wasn't her network yet.
oh, that's her network. The studio.
I think they rigged this game for Jay.
Alright. No, actually. pay
'Cause he
attention
usually
to what I
don't.
watch.
You know?
Anyway, gay history for 1 for 2.
1 for 2, closing out the category. The first African American to play in the Major League Baseball.
Go ahead, pour this up.
Jackie Robinson.
There you go.
Again, he get it wrong because
What the
he didn't-
fuck?
Who is? Yep.
Who
Drink,
is
nigga.
Who is? Take that drink. Take that
And-
drink.
Drink.
And when it comes to closing out a category, you lose those points.
Oh, my God.
He is down to 1,500.
Georgia.
That's not safe.
No one's safe.
Bucky, it's you.
Bucky,
I'm going to do a close out. Black History 2 for 100.
2 for 1. The R&B legend was killed by his
Oh.
father over a dispute about money.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, buddy.
Show's over.
Get y'all drink. Get y'all drinks together.
Show's over.
Get y'all drinks together.
DJ, turn the music up.
No, man, wait for Bucky to get
We're not going to finish this game.
No, yep.
No, we're not. The chat's not going to let us. The system's not going to let us. You're banned from this. You're banned.
I'm young,
You're
bro.
banned.
Jay, you.
Until March.
No, I'm
You're banned till
lost,
March.
bro.
You're
Like,
banned till March. Till March. And everyone agrees. You
I don't know what he
you
said.
See how remotely silent, do you hear how remotely silent the house is?
I don't know. I never heard of that name before.
Remotely silent.
I wouldn't know.
say the name. Say the name, man.
Pass.
March 1st, guys. You guys not gonna see Bucky again.
Nah. Them say- It's two that's Al Green. Who was Al Green? But I never heard his name before.
You've never heard Marvin Gaye?
This nigga say Al Green. What the
You
fuck?
listen to him.
Why you say Green, nigga?
I didn't say green. I was pointing out what he said. Nigga, I know it was Marvin Gaye.
And again, he was
I know never heard of him.
category. So
I would've known that though.
Points.
I didn't
He's
know
down
that.
to 500.
Marvin Gaye?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known
Al
that.
Green died of cancer.
Oh shit.
Dr. Sour.
What's happening,
Yeah,
man? Let me
Chaz,
get
see
Black History 4 for 5. I gotta catch
4
up.
for 5. The black rapper, this black
Got it.
rapper has made millions from several multi-platinum albums and has also starred in the famous television show Power.
Why do you think getting all the?
Oh, this is such a broad one though. Okay, so who is 50 Cent?
Who is 50 Cent is the correct
I'm about to say, I thought y'all could have said
Meth.
Method Man. I could have said mad different rappers that was in that joint. Right.
Nigga, I just getting the easy shit, bro.
And just like that, gentlemen, we have a ball game. Dr. Sour 1,300, Dallas 1,500, and Bandit is 500. Dr. Sour.
Let me get back to the screen. Let me see what I got. What's left over in 6? Is there a 4 and 5 and 6?
There is a 5, 4, 3, and 1.
No, it's a 2. It's not a.
I don't know what.
Let me get 6 and 6.
Sorry,
Let me get 4 and 6. 406, category 6.
400, category 6. Reads. What group of black pilots became legendary for their success in World War II? 10 seconds.
Who are the Red Tails?
Ooh, that was a good answer. The correct answer, however, is what are the Tuskegee Airmen?
That's a lie. That's incorrect because Tuskegee Airmen was known for the experiments that was done on them, the Tuskegee Project.
We could go to ChatGPT because
I don't know.
I believe
Red Tails flew in World War II and were some of the black they actually made a movie about them.
Okay. Fuck check time.
Look, we're gonna fact check. Look, let's see how fancy these fancy talking machines are.
Chat. Appreciate y'all for still being here, man. Shouts out to y'all, man. I'm lit. I'm enjoying myself. You know, as I said, I don't got curfew, so.
Pilots became legendary for their success in World War II.
Yeah. Shouts out to the chick. It's Friday night and we lit.
Okay, question. We believe that the Red Tails should be the answer.
Hey, chat, is this answer factual? Let's try to double check it.
The Red Tails also were a subgroup within the greater Tuskegee Airmen. So yes, you are correct when you say the Red Tails specifically.
Judges, are we accepting the answer as the question? That's the question right here. Are we
Chat, we about
accepting
to
the
play
answer?
some music for y'all soon.
Am I getting my 400 points? Yes or no, judges?
Line up right now.
I would have to say yes then, gentlemen. We're going yes. Dr. Sauer gets those points.
Thank you, guys.
Good challenge.
Thank you.
Successful challenge puts them up, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Sauer 1,700, Gallus Spy 1,500, and Bandit actually has a fighting chance in hell to win the final answer. It's Dr. Sauer's chance, but before he chooses, everyone gets to bid up to 3 times their points. And if you have over 1,000, you have to bid at least half.
Damn, that's fucked up. I'm bidding 5. Jay, what you bidding?
You got 5, I got 5.
I want one of
How much you bidding? How much you bidding, man? You can't. You ain't on our level bidding like us, bro. You ain't got money like us,
man. I'm broke.
Yeah, you ain't got money like us.
So you going for 3? You go 3?
I guess.
So if you do 3x, you got 1,500.
I'm just vibing with the chat right now. Chat, it's Friday night and we lit.
So Dr. Sauer, which category are you gonna choose for our final?
I'm doing 5 for 6, man. We gonna go big or go home.
5 for 6. After the murder of George Floyd, this group led a worldwide protest of police brutality towards black people. Each person has 10 seconds to gather their answer. And we're gonna start with
me.
No, you're gonna go last. Do you wanna go first or last?
I'll go last. It's okay. I'll go last.
So Bucky, you're gonna go first. Gallus is gonna go second.
I don't know.
You gotta give an answer, yo. You bid 300,
After
yo.
the murder
You better say something. After George Floyd.
This group led a worldwide protest of police brutality.
You young.
Towards black people.
What does Black Lives Matter?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Black Lives Matter. Is that your final answer?
Yep.
Jay?
Yes.
Yes, what?
That's what he said. I'm agreeing with him.
My answer is, what is Black Lives Matter?
So we all stupid. Okay.
So
Jay,
I'm gonna say that Jay did not.
I agree with him.
Last you checked, that is not how the answer goes down, and you escaped with.
That was a very lucky guess, chat.
We definitely let you skate with one too, yo.
Right. Dr. Sauer is our winner, ladies and gentlemen.
I always win these, yo. I always win these shits, yo.
History facts. They said if we do a Jamaican one, then Kenny has no chance. And he's rigging it by us doing these American Black history
Low
facts.
key.
Hey, yo, low key, y'all lied to
Jamaican though,
yourself, yo.
I'll still have to study.
Y'all low key, y'all about to say y'all low key lying to yourself, cause if we did a Jamaican one, I definitely still be up there with it.
All right.
I know the culture. I know the culture. I grew up around enough of y'all motherfuckers. I know the culture, yo.
Yo, shouts out to the chat for still being
Definitely
here,
big
man.
shouts out to the chat, though. The chat been showing hella love tonight, man. They got
That's right,
Yeah,
yo,
everybody.
I'm vibing.
So again, people, this was another episode
This
of
is
Vibes
another
Friday. This is your
episode,
boy
man.
Gallus
Another
J.
one. We're here.
Dr. Sour, I didn't know what the fuck that was on there just now. Son. But you see that shit, yo?
What?
You see that shit?
What?
You see that mop over there?
Oh my God.
Nobody already.
You see the mop?
Oh my
That shit
God.
fucked me up. Yo, we
Tune in
can't see
next
that chat.
weekend
We
on
see
the
that
show
shit.
with the vibes. Now we're taking you out with some music. Last week, hey boy, don't play with me.
Oh, that's not your hair no more, bro. That's not your yoga.
What's wrong with all over the ground?
Like you know we have vibes now about people. Thanks for tuning in. This is your boy Gallus J. What's the
They got us music. They get new the mics now. They don't baffle. Give me the mics. They kind of juggle for your good 15 minutes on that yard.
Stop it. Too much of this me a travel sort out. Calculator can't check it all now. He's a maths professor, I figure work that out. He get a portion of the ports out. Also when the community never know about. Your star, so every show of his soul out. Cause I do a standing, but we are not scout. Straight and narrow, feel like arrow. And you can leave,
refreshing like lemonade. Just a little touch and them a celebrate. Push it, did I get this sitting every day? Long piece of wood for your tight wall. Bars now your mouth, girl, bite down. She say me bright, me say light bulb. Plus me clean to me step like pine salt. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come a day rave. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. And if a night time, girl, you pretty same way. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. When me talks them, we power AK. Take with the key, we are lucky same way. She comes 7 times on a back shot. When she done ear her back to the swag shop, link drop top. Fresh, jump out, upstart. To the club, dance hall, turn it up. Leave if you're broke, get your money up. We are winner, we no see no runner up. When we left out at the club, we a go fuck. Make me grab your pussy, just a little touch. Papa buckle beers, muggle for me now. Bad man, gala, watch you ready for. Them in a knock off, them in a old bro. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come a day rave. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. Every hot girl, brawling, bare face. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. And if a night time, girl, you pretty same way. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. When me talks them, we power AK. Take with the key, we are lucky same way. Champion, vote for me. Boat ride, be a girl on the boat for me. In a tights, in a shorts, of course, mini. Good day, watch that, smooth like tilling. Money, pull up, pound, me not throw shilling. 6 BG, 5 Guyanese, 4 trimming. Party book, get another arms. When the girl like Curacao, via Netherlands. And me girl like Guadeloupe, so she live in France. Come a Jamaica, fi get in at the daddy pants. Bring your cousin, bring a friend, bring a bag of fans. Anywhere you see me, you see glance. Girl, if you're ugly, don't come a day rave. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. Every that girl, brawling, bare face. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. If I like out, girl, you pretty same way. This a day rave. Yeah man, this a day rave. When me talks them, we power AK. Take when the key, we are lucky same way. Take your time, but we got it all.
And if you hear this and then go on the back, go on the knees, baby, shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Your pussy party like a shot.
Oh, you did it with the boys.
Make the come first, could I never take a last. Like a ball, pump up the pussy fat. Clean out the pussy for me fucking.
Baby, I already leveled up. You're looking for love and I'm looking for the love. Baby, you can't do it.
Oh, girl. Take your time, but we got it all on. See nobody, no girl, we got it off in our bed. See nobody, see nobody, see nobody, see nobody, see nobody.
Print out in a G-string, my body nice. Face pretty when we sit down on the body and a ride. And a paralyzed, come make we cook in a the right. And put it on your property, me.
I know we love it. Back it up. Back it up. DJ, bring it. Give me.
Clean out the pussy for me fucking.
And it wet, never dry. Pump up my body, cock it up in a divide.
Yeah, bad man, chill out.
That's right. Yeah.
body big, body big. Come sit down on the seat. Come sit down on the seat. Come sit down on the seat.
Sit down on it, me gal. Cock up on it, me gal. Balance on it, me gal. DJ Tiger, wind it. Up, spend it, break it up. Shake it up, break it up. Step foot up, break it up. You just break it up, you just break it up. You are rocky rubber, you know fit put it up. Yeah, you are rocky rubber, you know fit bring out the foot. Then you are rocky rubber, you know fit play with me body, kick it up, up, up. Put it on nine, and when you're dead on the night. Put it on nine, and when you're dead on the night.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular, regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty for my cellular. No. You don't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my boxer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face card, we can feel weaker. But you know that my body is a healer. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Up. You know I love to make it.
So your legs running down back way. But you know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my hands. I had to bust on the side.
I'm in the big mood. Call out the feel you. Something like a cool in my body. Tell me what you do. I'm in the big mood. Call out the feel you. Something like a cool in my body. Tell me what you do. Make me go December. But some liquor, they do me check. Get some things with the put on my head, that's why. Now you the cool my stress, so yeah. Make me go December. But some liquor, they do me check. Get some things with the put on my head, that's why. Now you the cool my stress. I'm in the beat.
Come rewind up. Girl, I get the money if you make your mind up. So nothing I can make you mad up. I will leave you, give me love and make me nice up. I can make your mind up. But I love you plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You loving every day. Damn, money I go pay. For your love, yeah. Get it right, not the days, I feel this for you every day. When you come back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Make a cycle, make a traffic cycle. If you get too nice, you go down, so if you every day, you don't make me mad. Make you sing, put the mic in the hand. Looking in my eyes, show you many things. I could be your substance. It's easy when the love don't hide. No lie. I don't learn from my mistakes. Company creates companions. So right. Yeah, there you go, say I love your smile. Girl, I love it when you smile. Do that. I love your laugh, yeah. I love it when you smile. See, I would do anything for my love, yeah. I would do anything for my love, yeah. Do that. Run inside the building of your flame just to get with my love, yeah. I would do anything for my love. tonight. Tell me 'cause it feel right. Say you need me in your life. Oh, life. Do whatever I say, you would never hurt me. Never made me feel amazing inside. You're the only one I need and the only one I see. Love the way you talk to me and I love your energy. 'Cause you make it look easy. I have everything, they believe me. There ain't nothing I won't give, ain't nothing I won't do. You're the only one for me, nobody else but you. 'Cause you made me feel lucky. Don't know what's yours, baby, just me. Trust me, I know I love your life, yeah. Love when you smile. See, I would do anything for my love, yeah. I would do anything for my love, yeah. Do that. Run inside the beauty of the flames just to play with my love, yeah. I would do anything for my love. Oh, Lord. You're just a blessing to me.
Like animal, make you feel like animal. I go lock it down like criminal. Feeling like 1 million. People just watch you like a cinema. And anything like animal. Make sure you do nobody else. Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Chop up on my body like animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I can lock you down like criminal. Touch feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. And the thing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Just that approved and trusted. Just that approved and trusted. Oh, please believe. Approved and trusted, tested, approved and trusted. In the middle of all of these beautiful girls in the world, but they dance on the floor. I step on mine and not to bend them. Me, I just want some pepper decent. Baby, carry it, your waistline, roll it down, no slow down. Just bring it to me down, suck it down, no teasing. Baby, don't mind when you see, come give me that. Jump up on my body like animal, dance make you feel like carnival. Don't lock you down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just they watch you like a cinema. And banditing like carnival. Make sure you do nobody else like me. Fantastic, you do fantastic. To put on glasses, make you know that we this.
Tony and sing. Me angel without the two wing, yeah. When you raise me, darling, let me feel like I love me falling, yeah. Then over on the railing. Bad man, I turn you like a steering wheel. In love you like me savings, yeah.
Me I no like to talk, but I can feel my mind feeling up. When you just start whining for me now, I hear your body telling me say you want me. Fly you over the seas, put your body and feet in the sand. I know say when you see go believe, when you see me go be like 3D cinema. So clear, your body close to me, because you're my